My name is Mamdani. Mamdani. My name is Mamdani. You better learn how to say it. Mamdani. My name is Mamdani. Somebody put out a reel where they're saying that I don't know what to do with this joy. They're of course very happy. I don't know what to do with this joy. I want to unpack it, but just want it in this tiny little box right here. I want it, and I wrote in the comments there, bro. I live in India. Even I don't know what to do with this joy.
Uh, hello, hi. Welcome to the Co-Therapy Show. I wish my therapist would start like this, start sessions. Like मैं आता ही like कोई तो भी गाना चल रहा है random. So Dr. Medusa is here.
My name is Meghnad S.
नहीं होता है, नहीं होता है.
Meghnad. My name is Meghnad S. Oh, it's आ रहा है.
ये S हटा दे ना, just
Meghnad.
S
And the rest
हटा
of the
दे.
song is don't bother spelling the second name, it's too long.
Yeah, last name मत spell करो.
मेरा नहीं आता है.
And we have Vimo after I think a month, I don't know, maybe, but channel favorite Vimo who is always in demand, and also channel favorite Medusa who is also in demand. मेरे से ज़्यादा demand ये दोनों का. Basically that's the situation that is happening. I'm
हम तो
realizing.
अपने चैनल मानते हैं इसको.
हाँ ये तो है. तो देख I mean मेरे अलावा like everybody is like हाँ ये दोनों कब आ रहे हैं चैनल पे तब देखेंगे. So I'm like fine.
मैं अपने चैनल में कम आती हूँ.
Fine. I'm just going to be an editor just sitting here on the side and provoking both of you to talk, okay? Because मेरी तो कोई value है ही नहीं इधर. But
नहीं तू पेड़ कितना भी बड़ा हो जाए, जड़ अगर जड़ में जहर हो जाता है तो something. No, it is not fitting. Sorry, my bad. Some other thing.
The मुहावरा
I
ले.
say that you are the jad and we are the peड़, but then zahar came in. I was like, shit, no, that's not the wrong muhavra. Something.
Akhilesh is saying video quality is improving from left to right.
I think I can improve my video quality even
Who is
more.
saying?
You can improve it even more.
I think so, but I don't
OMG,
think वो
no,
bandwidth
no,
के लिए सही नहीं होगा, freeze हो जाएगा फिर.
रहने दे. It's okay, guys. We are now frozen. We did like a lot of technical analysis before this. Medusa ASMR करने की कोशिश कर रही थी. क्या
नहीं हो
खा रही है?
पाया. I am eating layya and chana and sprouts.
Nice. So we are going to talk about a few things today. First is of course Mamdani's win, because
The
a lot of
name
people.
is Mamdani. Sorry.
A lot of people wanted to discuss that, so I thought who better to discuss it with these two than these two. And also we are going to talk about vote chori, the yesterday's press conference that happened, which was what was it, hydrogen bomb this time, and
H-Files.
H-Files. So we are going to talk about that a little bit, and other things if they come up. So yeah, as usual, this is Co-Therapy Show where we try to process the news and present it to you. We therapize each other, I think.
Yeah.
It's like system se bahar nikalna hai. That's the idea here. So Vimo, what do you want to start with?
Let's start with the vote chori allegation press conference,
Okay.
because like it is something we've been waiting for quite some time, and what I was blown away by was that from the other side there still isn't a good response to any of this, so they're trying to downplay it in hopes that people will fall back on the mahal that they had created before Bharat Jodo Yatra, that they can still get people to think, अरे इस आदमी को seriously लेने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
Yeah.
That stopped working a long time ago. The fact that they have not come up with anything new shows that they're on the back foot. At the same time, I don't know what good this will do, because elections are happening, everyone is participating. And I saw one of your older live streams where you both were saying no, they should still participate in the election. So maybe you can explain to me why.
Yeah. Will do.
Yeah, bata na, Medusa, why do you think they should still do
Continue the
elections?
election.
I think that's a
ऐसे
good point to start.
शुरुआत अच्छा ऐसे ही शुरू करें. रुक जा.
मतलब वही ना, बता ना. Like, so we have, I think we have spoken about this before also. Like,
Yeah.
मैं मेरा व्यू भी देगा, तू बता पहले. Do you think they
मैं
should
पहले बताऊं?
boycott elections or not?
नो आई डोंट, बिकॉज क्योंकि देख जैसे जो भी हो है ना, अल्टीमेटली देश तो लोकतंत्र है. रुक जा, मैं इसीलिए वेट कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि बिकॉज आई हैव अ फ्यू, आई डिड पोस्ट टुडे with talking spree which talked about all of the reasons why they should still continue. It's like because सिचुएशन इतनी खराब है ना कि अगर मान ले अगर बॉयकॉट कर देते हैं इलेक्शन, ठीक है, तो इन ऑर्डर टू मेंटेन दिस शैम of a democratic process like like happens in, let's say, a few countries which we know of, कि इस शैम को मेंटेन करने के लिए बीजेपी के फैक्शन के अंदर से ही दे विल क्रिएट पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज एंड देन दे विल वोट अमंगस्ट ईच अदर एंड देन दे विल ये, क्योंकि उनको मेंटेन करना है कि इट इज नॉट एन ऑटोक्रेसी बट अ डेमोक्रेसी, ठीक है. सो दैट विल इट विल स्टिल हैपन, बट राइट नाउ बाय fighting the elections, I think this idea of democracy at least is kept alive. And वही तो है ना, मतलब लड़ाई तो लड़नी पड़ेगी. ऐसा नहीं है ना कि वो कर देंगे छोड़ देंगे, because like remember we said in the last stream also that you do these non-violent things and you do these protests when the सामने वाला person has a conscience. If they don't have a conscience, and these guys, they don't have a conscience. They're waiting for the time when one party or Congress party or some opposition party is going to boycott elections and they just sweep. We have seen how it happens in Amit Shah's constituency. We have seen गुजरात के इलेक्शन के टाइम पे कौन से वाले कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में जो 9 लोग खड़े थे, 9 लोगों को बिठा दिया गया, एंड देन बिफोर दे ऑल द withdrawals were even complete, the election officer handed the person the card कि आप जीत गए, वो certificate, वो वाला जो था. So who is stopping them from doing this across the country?
Yeah, absolutely.
तो कम से कम for the larger people who are non-violent, who believe in this process, जिनको लगता है कि नहीं चलो कम से कम वोट दे के आए हैं, उनके लिए ये इस विजन को I don't want to say mirage because for whatever reasons, but इस विजन को जिंदा रखना भी जरूरी है. इसीलिए ये all these press conferences, all of these revelations, they need to happen, and at the same time they need to do extremely hard work at the absolute basis ground level also. I don't agree with one thing which Rahul Gandhi said, which was training से कुछ नहीं होगा. I do think कि they should, like literally train their volunteers and train the कार्यकर्ता
yeah,
to
I have
spot
some
these
thoughts
things.
on that also.
Yeah.
So
उसके अलावा I think that's one of the main reasons why they still need to be fighting elections.
yeah. One of the things I've also been thinking of, so I had Dr. Parakala Prabhakar on my channel, I think a month ago. I think after the first Vote Chori conference, I had Dr. Parakala Prabhakar on the channel, and he was in the favor of boycotting elections. And his logic is, ki, if, I mean, the Vote Chori thing, in a larger way, it is just saying that our democracy is a farce, right? But the fact is that if you keep fighting an election, then people don't get a message that democracy is a farce, because if you're still participating in rigged elections, then you're just endorsing those rigged elections. That was his logic. That is why I think
But
the
they're
opposition.
not endorsing them, no? They're continuously saying at every level, at every stage, and at every step that see this is happening. Like literally one day before the voting in Bihar, Rahul Gandhi is talking about vote chori and showing how people in Bihar have had their names deleted. So they're not endorsing it. They're being a part of the democratic process because that is the only way to record these illegalities. ये जो हो रहा है, ये illegal behavior को record करने का एकमात्र तरीका है ना. और अगर boycott करके आप बैठ जाओगे, आपको तो पता भी नहीं चलेगा अंदर क्या हो रहा है.
No, I agree, but see, that was his
I'm
view.
not
So that is, I
telling you,
think,
I'm
the
saying,
boycott
yeah.
camp view. I was also like thinking about it, right? But I think one of the things that is required right now at this point of time is to participate and expose. So, and I because I have personal experience, right? Which is when I fought elections, I got a backstage pass. I've been thinking about that backstage pass a lot lately and what I could do with it, right? So what I mean by backstage passes, they give you a candidate badge, and candidate has access to strong rooms, EVMs. We can delegate people who will have the same or somewhat same level of access to the back machinery of what runs elections, right? And that includes like getting actual voter lists se leke everything, form 17C se leke EVM check karna, all the things, right? I feel like by boycotting elections, even that access goes away, right? Because all the people who could have otherwise caught people doing vote chori or rigging or prevented people from doing it, they just wouldn't be able to do that anymore, right? And that is a big loss, because if the opposition boycotts elections, then they lose this access, and then the BJP's narrative is the only one that stands, and Ganesh Gaslighter continues gaslighting. That's the
So
worry there.
I
Yeah.
have a thing to point out, which is that I'm not in the like I'm not strictly in the boycott camp or the participate camp. I'm trying to make up my mind. And one thing that I need to point out is that when you say that only BJP's side remains visible, right? Are we of the view that that will be bad for the BJP? Because I don't think it will be. I think it will be bad for the BJP if there is only one side and that's BJP's side. Because when you say that if the opposition boycotts the election, then wait, where was I? If the opposition boycotts the election, then the message goes out that the democracy is not working, right? But the BJP doesn't want that. It wants people to think that democracy is working. Otherwise, they would have said, "चल नहीं करेंगे election, अब dictatorship, हम ये लोग सब decide करें." They are not doing that. So there is a shame element there, or an embarrassment element there, where they, at least their part of their self value is attached to the idea that people need to think at the very least that we are democratic.
Interesting.
By
So you mean that
boycotting,
you
you
mean that
push
this
that out of their reach.
you mean this facade
nahi.
needs to be maintained?
Yeah.
And how will they maintain that facade is by creating separate parties from their own people.
Yes.
I am very
Which is
sure
why I'm not completely in the boycott camp.
the whole
This only
embarrassment
works
thing
if
and the
everyone
whole
boycotts and BJP is the only one left. Otherwise, it does not work.
the whole the embarrassment thing and etc. Like, for example, them wanting people to know that the facade, so on and so forth, is not working, or that it is what they want to maintain. That is coming from us, because we think we have a conscience. We would be embarrassed if people knew that we are ruling, we want democracy to go away, or हम लोग को शर्म आएगी क्योंकि हम लोग इंसान हैं. But these people are not. No.
Yeah.
They
So
will not
you're
be
saying it's
embarrassed as
only
long as their pockets are full, as long as they have ethanol ka factory, as long as they have tolls or whatever, or like shakhas to maintain and whatever shit. They will be perfectly fine. उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं. उनके बच्चे जा रहे हैं येल पढ़ने के लिए, स्टैनफोर्ड पढ़ने के लिए, उनको काफी है. ठीक है, वो अपने अंदर से बीजेपी को, इतना बड़ा बीजेपी है, 6,000 करोड़ रुपया है, 1,000 करोड़ रुपया देके छोटी सी पार्टी बना देंगे. बढ़िया वो लोग लड़ेंगे 2 पार्टी सिस्टम करके. डेमोक्रेसी है भैया, बहुत बढ़िया डेमोक्रेसी है. लाइक किम जोंग उन.
I think
Sorry, Vimo.
go on.
No, I was just going to say, like, to your point only, which is, I just wanted to ask, ki, I agree that this facade needs to be maintained, because if you look at it all over the world, right? How are authoritarian leaders coming up? They're coming up through elections. I mean, even Putin has like a pretend election. Kim Jong-un has a pretend election.
I mean, the country is literally called the Democratic Republic of North Korea.
Yeah, exactly. Right?
Democratic.
So they basically, it's like a facade only. Like, basically, people will be convinced कि okay, fine, we are living in a democracy, बोलने के लिए, right? But at the same time, it has all the features of an authoritarian regime, and that is happening across the world. I mean, even in America, it is like
that makes sense.
happening,
okay, I'm convinced
right?
now.
So
I think the good point Medusa made was that I had not thought about was that BJP will create these baby parties and then pretend to continue having
Baby parties.
I don't think they will ever get to the point where they say कि नहीं करेंगे election. I don't think they ever will, because that will really backfire. And if there was some way to push them into it, that will actually be good. But there isn't.
And also imagine, so we again forget that independently people can fight. Right? For example, let's say Congress calls for a boycott and all the other parties also agree, fine, boycott. I don't think the people who want to contest elections might agree that they want a boycott. So they will just split from the party and fight it independently anyway. Everybody will be like, हाँ ये तो RJD का आदमी है, ये तो JDU का आदमी है, ये तो शिवसेना का आदमी है, but fighting independently because party ने boycott कर दिया, right? So that is again there also. So it's not like if parties boycott it, independents won't fight. The election will still happen, and BJP can always say that हमने तो किया, ये देखो ये independent लोग. So
Yeah.
And remember, there was one time when we were talking about how Indian the population is very different. We were talking about how dictatorships last for a period of 30 years. ऐसा कुछ था, तो हम लोग बहुत अलग है. तो मुझे the whole difference of us with other people, I think it's because of the sheer number of people that we are. It's very difficult to have like a uniform way of thought in these people, because I read the other day that in order for there to be a mass level, people's level protest in any given time, 3% of the population needs to be in one frame of mind, of protest frame of mind, and that 3% हमारे देश में 3% बहुत ज्यादा है. और लेकिन क्या हम लोग 30%, 3% लोग क्या इस तरीके का फ्रेम 3% ही नहीं बना पा रहे हैं यार. इतने सारे मुद्दे हैं देश में, 3% ही एक उस पे एक मुद्दे पे इकट्ठा नहीं हो पा रहा है. So thinking that boycott would be like a nationwide thingy is not really possible. It's not going to work. So इसलिए we have to figure out ways where it is going to work, just like what I think Rahul Gandhi is doing. I think that's the optimum that can be done at this level, जिसमें इतनी ज्यादा वोट चोरी हो रही है, इतना कुछ हो रहा है, जुडिशरी पे भरोसा नहीं है, जो हमारे सेंट्रल एजेंसीज थे उन पे भरोसा नहीं है, उसमें यही हो सकता है कि आप जनता के सामने रखिए.
So like, I mean, so Val here is asking where is this topic coming from, which is boycotting. I feel like, it also, this boycott is like an extreme step in what next, which is like, what after these vote chori revelations, what can happen? Like what is the solution to this? What is it that people and parties and political parties can do? So boycott is one extreme solution. I think we are like mixed about that. It's a discussion. Wally here is saying one good thing about BJP is one time they won only 2 seats, but they fight every election. They don't give up and make an image in the public as an opposition party. We need to learn this, or they just said learn this. I
think any opposition party is going to do that.
I mean, Congress has also fought elections for years. I mean, like it's not like they haven't been fighting elections.
बिहार में जीतते ही नहीं है. यूपी में उनको मुश्किल से 10 सीटें भी नहीं आती. एक समय दूसरा था, अब तो 10 सीटें भी नहीं आती.
Well, yeah, true. But tell me, what are the other things that can be done?
But they still fight elections. Like parties do that only.
Of course. I mean, like that's what a political party is supposed to do. That is what it's built to do. Fight elections. Okay, so now we are going to like take it a little forward, which is vote chori sort of again proves that our democracy is broken, our election process is broken. What are the possible solutions for this?
Solutions
in the sense, इसके बाद क्या करना है? मतलब how do you deal with this? Vimo,
go first.
I think अभी ये लोग जो कर रहे हैं ना, इसको like to create a massive body of work in public that is calling this out, that remains on the record, which may be called upon in the years to come when these guys are even weaker than they are right now. Is a very good thing to do. ये लोगों ने जैसे like they take a single point and they harp on it, they make it part of the mainstream. This one needs to be made part of the mainstream with plenty of evidence, as we have seen. Plenty of evidence that this system is fundamentally being manipulated in a way that is anti-democratic. It is a good thing to do. But I was wondering if there was something else also.
So you're saying evidence gathering is what we should do?
Evidence gathering, putting it out effectively in public, and building that body of work.
I think that is happening though.
Yeah.
I mean, it is happening. I mean, like I'm seeing it happening more and more for the last year at least, which is more and more people are at least like speaking
Maharashtra में भी हुआ था उद्धव ठाकरे का, जिसके ऊपर you did a separate.
Yeah. Aditya Thackeray. I was just going to come to that. But Medusa, solutions.
मेरे को ये लगता है कि awareness. ठीक है, evidence gathering, yes, awareness is another thing, because right now what I see are these top leaders only. मैं regional leaders की बात नहीं कर रहा, like आदित्य ठाकरे ने उनका बात, या फिर अभिषेक बनर्जी also did a conference. Oh no, that was not on that was on SIR, not on the vote chori thingy. But related, these things are related anyway. So I want, for example, Congress Party, national leaders में I think it is only Rahul Gandhi who is very, very evidently and very loudly talking about this, and literally so much work has gone behind his presentations and the way he has done the whole thing. मुझे लगता है उस चीज को एकदम, that's one of the things why I say that the Congress Party is different than Rahul Gandhi as a leader is different. I can get behind Rahul Gandhi, but what he is laying the groundwork, the party should have now like taken it to the grassroots level and talked to everybody, like done vote chori campaigns, like done like there was this, I think somebody was talking about how there was this proposal which was sent to the party about creating these positions within the party and within like at the absolute booth levels of vote prahari and samvidhan prahari and things like that. So it gives a good ring, and like you said, these people will be the ones who will be called upon later on when evidence gathering, when the party is the other part, BJP is weaker and they will be punished for all the illegalities that they have done as far as the election is concerned. So ये सारी चीजों को होना जरूरी है. So they need to create a framework within the party where this mudda itself is like absolutely percolating down to the lowest of the level,
Right.
and the lowest कार्यकर्ता is also talking about vote chori. The lowest कार्यकर्ता is also proving कि देखो ये हो रहा है, क्योंकि जो बात गुमटी में पान वाली गुमटी पे चाय की टपरी पर और ऐसे अड्डा मारते वक्त, कैरम बोर्ड खेलते वक्त अड्डा मारते वक्त होती है ना, जिस तरह की बातें होती है, वो उस लेवल तक का पेनिट्रेशन लाना पड़ेगा. उस लेवल तक का पेनिट्रेशन बीजेपी का है. बीजेपी का उस लेवल तक का पेनिट्रेशन है कि आप कैरम खेलते वक्त बोल सकते हो कि नहीं भैया मुसलमान को टाइट रखना जरूरी है. आप बोल सकते हो वहां तक. इस लेवल का पेनिट्रेशन होना पड़ेगा कि आप बोलो कि भैया वोट चोरी तो हो रही है. If that is not done, then that is something that they need to work towards.
See, one of the things that has, again, as earlier Vim also pointed out, Aditya Thackeray, I think, has got the right idea wahan pe, which is, I feel like so in case chat you don't know, I've already done a video on this, but other than Rahul Gandhi's vote chori presentations, Aditya Thackeray also came and he spoke to a stadium full of workers, and he said ki I don't expect anything from the election commission, and which is true. Election commission कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा है, मतलब कुछ भी करो, कुछ भी बोलो, shameless है लोग वो हिल ही नहीं रहा है पत्ता कुछ वहाँ पे. तो he is saying कि the only other option now is to train our workers to be more vigilant. So he spoke in Marathi. He gave this presentation to all the workers who had gathered for Shiv Sena UBT, and he said that, listen, you need to learn to identify these patterns, and we need to gather, we need to start working, we need to start going through these lists, start going on the ground and checking up. And he gave some criteria also, which is like election commission का जो criteria है, which is if there are more than 10 people in one house, there should be a ground verification, right? He's like कि हम करेंगे. He's like, screw the election commission, we'll do it. Like our workers need to go and do it on the ground. And इसका context भी है, by the way, because municipal election होने वाला है. I think अभी December में ही होने वाला है. So that is a very big deal for Shiv Sena UBT, right? And also the other thing, I think one of the things that also came out of that is that RJD right now, if you look at what RJD is doing today as Bihar votes, it is doing exactly the same thing. It is giving instructions on what to do after the voting closes.
I saw the tweet, yeah.
फॉर्म 17C कलेक्ट करना है, ईवीएम के साथ रहना है, ये चेक करना है, वो चेक करना है. सो ट्विटर पे तो डाल ही रहे, सो यू कैन इमेजिन हाउ इंटेंस इट मस्ट बी इन व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स एंड स्टफ.
Yeah.
And also one of the things which struck me, the line that struck me, is that they are now gathering this evidence and they have to send it to a Prabhari, which means they're centralizing this information. Which is so important, right? Which is
It is, and that is why I was like, I did not like or I did not agree when Rahul Gandhi said कि ट्रेनिंग से कुछ नहीं होगा. ठीक है, हो सकता है, लेकिन इलेक्शन लड़के भी तो कुछ नहीं होगा ना वैसे फिर, क्योंकि अगर वो चोरी हो रही है तो आप ट्रेनिंग दो. ट्रेनिंग दो, कम से कम रिकॉर्ड, लाइक the same thing which Vimo was saying कि कम से कम एविडेंस रिकॉर्ड होगा.
हम्म
You know,
यहाँ
because
पे
I imagine at some point of time in the future when hopefully at least some of these guys are dragged to court, there won't be any dearth of evidence against them. You know, they state the leader of the opposition did a public presentation where he pointed this out. There is no way you are getting out of this. And they're not even, you know, the press conference that Kiran Rijiju did against this one had nothing to address it. ये राहुल गांधी विदेश जा रहा है, but there's something else altogether.
That reminded me of what you said about once. Remember, I asked you what is a straw man fallacy?
Uh-huh.
Or isn't that a straw man fallacy?
I guess. Strawman as in
Because he is not
Yeah, yeah.
attacking, he is not answering what Rahul Gandhi is saying, but
it can also be
attacking.
called poisoning the well. Because
Okay. Oh yeah.
जिस कुएं से पानी आ रहा है उसी में जहर मिला दो ताकि उस कुएं तक कोई जाए ही नहीं.
हाँ. कि आपको आर्ग्यूमेंट का जब आंसर नहीं आता तो आप सामने वाले के कैरेक्टर पे, उसकी
हाँ.
भाषा पे या उसके,
Ad hominem.
because that's one of the things which people do ना कि oh my god, look at your language. I'm like,
Yeah.
what?
No,
कि
and
मैं जो
also-
बोल रही हूँ उसका सुनना, उसका जवाब दे. लैंग्वेज की
Language
क्या
is red
language
herring.
जा रहा है?
Yeah.
one of the things
Yeah,
I
yeah.
noticed, like, so since Vote Chori number 1, the episode 1 that was there, it's very funny to watch this because first इसमें Anurag Thakur आया and he gave more evidence, right? फिर Ganesh Gaslighter आया and he just gave random answers which made people even more suspicious. Then deletion files के बाद और कांड किया, फिर कर्नाटका SIT did more evidence gathering there where a literal call center is being hired to delete
Yeah.
voters at 80 rupees. I mean, ridiculous. Now, idhar, it's funnier because it's bizarre and funnier at the same time. So, for example, I was streaming yesterday at 12 o'clock when Rahul Gandhi was doing this. And dude, when he spoke about that Brazilian model, for example, where he's like, कि एक Brazilian model का stock photo 22 बार use किया है 10 booth में, right? I just saw it and I burst out laughing, right? It was like, because it's so funny when you think about it, right? First reaction is, holy shit, this is so funny. It's not funny because this is crazy. It's yeah, but it's like a defense mechanism at this point where I'm like thinking it's funny, right? But what another thing that I was thinking about was that ये लोगों का ना response ही नहीं आ सकता इस पे. Because the response to this whole Brazilian thing has been bizarre from the BJP's end, right? Which is one thing is BJP accounts are now pulling out how this stock photo was used in the Indian Express also and Facebook पे and Twitter profiles निकाले जो ये stock photo use कर रहे हैं. I'm like, तुम proof क्या करना चाहते हो भाई?
कि उन्होंने किया, हमने किया तो कौन सा बड़ा काम कर लिया?
And also, it's such a bizarre response to this. It's like,
Yeah.
I mean,
No, it's
No,
like the whole
hang on.
strategy division of the IT cell has been handed over to the chimpanzees at the bottom. That's it. They're
or-
doing the best they can with what they have.
no, now what I think is that all the sort of talented people in the BJP have left. There are only the bottom feeders that are left. वहाँ पे
Yeah, yeah.
the loyal bottom
This is like
feeders.
the opposite. हाँ सॉरी मेरी भाई.
इससे भी bizarre क्या है is that not just what are you saying Lord bottom feeder Shekhar Gupta does an article today saying कि
नहीं देख रही.
the Brazilian model has spoken. She has said I have never been to India. भाई मेरे
आई थिंक उसको भी किसी इंटरनल लिख के होगा सर आप ये लिख दीजिए.
अरे,
Chat
so
GPT से लिखवा लीजिए.
and then he writes the names of the people who have done this report in the tweet. I'm like ये बेचारे भी सोच रहे हैं हाय कहाँ नाम डाल दिया.
वो जो बिग बैंग थ्योरी में एक एपिसोड नहीं था, शेल्डन ने कोई प्रैंक फोन किया था अपने यूनिवर्सिटी के हेड के ऊपर और साथ में हावर्ड और इसको भी क्रेडिट दे दिया था. ये लोग हम भी इसकी वजह से कॉलेज से निकाले गए.
And I was like, मतलब नहीं मुझे एक सेकंड के लिए समझ में नहीं आया क्योंकि because I was like really dumbfounded कि this guy does he actually believe that राहुल गांधी ने बोला कि वो इंडिया आई और यहाँ पे आके 22 बिलियन वोट दे के गई.
you know, another.
Is that what Shekhar Gupta, the veteran journalist, the owner of some of the top most media channels in the country, is that what he believes?
No, and two more things that they did. Other, मतलब like ये Shekhar Gupta, तो my God, I didn't even know. Like यहाँ पे Osiris is saying he's a bottom feeder with a 50 word limit. So it's like, Okay. Expired Gelusil ki bottle is what comes to my mind every time.
I
But
like that. Oh, I love
sorry, Shekhar. I'm sorry if you felt insulted. Okay, थोड़ा सा. But क्योंकि वो मेरा चैनल देखता है वीडियो सा. मेरे को पता है.
But yeah, Mr. Gupta, Mr. Gupta, you are an expired Gelusil bottle. If you actually think, if you
ये
Please
जेलुसिल
stop.
वाला क्या है? मतलब I don't even know what this joke is.
oh, it's a very very famous tweet from this handle called Edgar Ellen Poha, and she I think she's a she. She this one time
स्वपन दास
तेरे को
गुप्ता.
हाँ शवन दास गुप्ता को बोला था बट वो उर्दू के बारे में बोल रहा था या किसी चीज के बारे में बोल रहा था कि somebody दास गुप्ता was like somebody threw an urdu couplet at me and I was not able to understand. So Ellen Poha is like forget an Urdu couplet. Nobody is going to throw a phata hua Kolhapuri at you expired Gelusil bottle. You expired bottle of Gelusil. And I was like, what a beautiful image that is. Like somebody is an expired.
Oh,
That is so good.
It's very good.
Twitter lore. It's Twitter lore. It's like one of the. It is almost at par with that line. ये क्या कहते हैं अखिलेश की बीवी का नाम है डिम्पल भाभी हटिया वाला line. It is
no, but so
as good.
So the other response to this whole Brazilian thing, Brazilian Janata Party people have started calling BJP now.
I excited that. I am very happy. I am so proud of it.
The other thing is, so Kerala Congress, the amazing Twitter handle that they have,
Oh, that's so good.
they basically tweeted about this Brazilian model and then they mentioned the photographer's name, and by mistake I think they implied that the girl's name is the photographer's name. तो भक्त भजपिल्ले एकदम उसको भी fact check किए जा रहे हैं कि no, actually the girl is named something else, this is the photographer. as if, and dude, the weird thing is, so Zubair, he put out this photo, so he put out this one tweet
You know,
saying that
all of these things were in the community notes, and I, like a good soldier, have marked all of those community notes not helpful.
yeah, they are not helpful at all. It's true. Like I agree with that. But Zubair basically pointed this out only, right? Whatever. Dude, मेरे वीडियो पे आके लोग बोल रहे कि जुबैर ने इसको फैक्ट चेक कर
हाँ
दिया.
देखा वो कमेंट मैंने. हाँ you shared the link of the shot. उसके नीचे किसी ने लिखा कि जुबैर ने इसको डिबंक किया. तो कैसे?
हाँ, and I saw कि क्या डिबंक किया, and he just pointed out कि वो फोटोग्राफर का नाम है.
हाँ
वो भी उसने भी वही किया, and भक्त उस पे चिल कि देख जुबैर ने इसको फैक्ट चेक किया. I'm like,
अब अचानक जुबैर के ऊपर पूरा भरोसा हो गया इनको.
अबे पूरा भरोसा है अचानक से.
okay.
अब हमने जुबैर ही
Other
बता
than that, other than the response, there is another sort of response happening. There is a journalistic response also happening to this. Indian Express put out a report, Aaj, where they went and spoke to 4 women who had the photo of this woman, Brazilian model, stock photo. And they checked their voter IDs. 3 of them had different photos. 4th one said that मेरा कोई और का फोटो आ गया था, correct करने दिया है. I haven't gotten the ID yet. But
मिला
all
नहीं.
4 said that they have not had any problem voting. तो उसको भी fact check बोल रहे हैं अभी.
It's like they didn't see the press conference.
Exactly.
उनको किसी ने स्क्रीनशॉट भेजा और उसके नीचे 2 लाइन लिख के भेज दिया.
And it doesn't prove anything. So again, like,
It doesn't prove anything because what Rahul Gandhi was saying is that all of these names and all of these stock photos, etc., this is done in a targeted, centralized process in a particular way, targeted, centralized way, which is to create that space for some fuzzy person to come in and vote. ठीक है. अब जैसे मान ले उनका अगर the list, the final voter list, the record has that this woman का photo, but the names are right. ठीक है. So these people are able to go there and vote. Who is to say that somebody with the same names and credentials, another ID comes and says कि नहीं ये तो गलती से आ गया था, ये मेरा ID है, इसमें जाके मेरे को वोट करने दीजिए. Who is to say that that's not going to happen? कोई गारंटी तो नहीं है ना.
But
तो
that
ये
is
space
what-
तो इसीलिए क्रिएट किया गया है.
that is what Rahul Gandhi implied in his press conference.
Implied,
also,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
That like the house number 0 that he pointed out, right? Which is like there are voters who are registered in house number 0 but then disappear. after the elections. So they're like a blank space almost, which can be filled by BJP, sort of a allegation there, right? I don't know how
Yeah.
true that is though. And to prove it, you need CCTV footage, but then election
Yeah.
division CCTV footage bhi nahi deta, which makes me more
वो
suspicious.
intention it becomes suspicious only.
Exactly.
No? So why are we despite being like why are the people despite being given evidence after evidence not ready to believe that the Election Commission of India is fallible, can do this, it is possible for them to do, like आप कह रहे हो कि हो ही नहीं सकता, है ही नहीं, ऐसा कोई वजह ही नहीं. But when you see these 223 different people who have been registered in the same booth in like different across the constituency, 223 times one person, one photograph is appearing.
Dude, one thing, sorry, this other thing which he showed, which Vimod, you saw the press conference, right? Pura. Usme, did you see that part where he called those two journalists on the stage and
I
he
saw
was
the
going through?
gentleman in the wheelchair with
Yeah.
journalists. I don't think I saw that.
So what he did was he called these two journalists on the stage and he was just scrolling through a PDF of a voter list, right? This 223 thing that Medusa is saying. So one woman's photo on the same page is being repeated like 4 or 5 times.
That I saw.
You
Yeah.
saw that, right? Now, it takes me time to process this because
How can someone see this and conclude that there is nothing wrong?
exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also the other question I have related to this is that यार लोग वहाँ पे elections के time पे check कर रहे होते हैं, right? Like, and if you just with your human eyesight you can just see कि यहाँ पे कुछ गड़बड़ लग रहा है, 5 लोग repeat क्यों हो रहे हैं?
Yeah.
Does nobody red flag this? Does nobody
Yeah.
call it out? I have such a giant question there, which is like
This is proof that if kya, this is not only corrupt, this is a very pervasive level of corruption that is on in every level of the election commission.
Let me tell you one small thing. जो ये एग्जाम्स होते हैं ना, जैसे पेपर लीक तो अब चल रहा है. For years and years there has been an entire like agencies of people जो पेपर देकर आते हैं. किसी और के नाम पर वो पेपर देके आते हैं, किसी और की आईडी पर वो पेपर देके आते हैं, ठीक है. एंड यू थिंक देयर आइडेंटिटी कार्ड्स नहीं एग्जिस्ट करते, वो आइडेंटिटी कार्ड भी एग्जिस्ट करता है, वो सामने वाले के पास एक चेक करने वाला भी होता है, वो चेक करता है कि फोटो मैच हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही है, आईडी कार्ड क्या है, ये क्या है, आइडेंटिफिकेशन आपको प्रूफ देना पड़ा. ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स हैपन, येट दिस इंडस्ट्री हैज फ्लरिश्ड. देयर आर पीपल हु आर कॉट, हु आर गिविंग पेपर, क्या कुछ बोलते हैं उनको, there is a particular name for it.
Something
also,
mafia, exam mafia.
एग्जाम माफिया तो है, जो
Question paper.
person who goes and gives exam in somebody else's position, in somebody, उनका कार्ड वगैरह लेके वो देके जाते हैं. And this entire group exists, और वो आप वो मानने को तैयार हो कि वो हो सकता है, but आप वोटर में this is a freaking your right man, you don't understand कि ये भी हो सकता है.
Which reminds me of something very funny.
Which come out multiple videos. एक वो बंदा था जो बोला कि अरे हम अभी 8 वोट डाल के आए हैं. वो छोटे वाले बच्चे की बातें नहीं कर रही मैं. एक बंदा था जो
there's this I saw that, like that gentleman who came out, old gentleman who came out is like 8 बार वोट डाल के आया बीजेपी को.
8 बार वो डाल के आए हैं, विधायक जी को वोट डाल के आए हैं, हम ही उनको वो करके ऐसा सांसद जी को वोट दे के आए हैं, हम ही दे के आए हैं. 8 बार तो वो वोट दे के आए हैं. These things happen and these things exist. You need, and this is happening at a very large scale right now.
Yeah.
This is what people need to understand कि हाँ ऐसा नहीं है कि पहले बहुत बढ़िया से होता था.
It's happening on a level where the education system right up to the ministerial levels is complicit in it.
Absolutely.
Which actually reminds me of a funny comment that came. I just took a screenshot of it yesterday, a couple of days ago, and I kept it on my desktop. Someone had left a comment on a video of mine saying, "It's nothing to do with this, just funny." किसने comment दिया है, मैंने सपना देखा आपको किसी ने मार दिया है और मेरी एक रिश्तेदार को भी. आप सब कोचिंग माफिया के चक्कर में फंस गए थे. आप लोगों ने अपना एक कोचिंग खोला था इसलिए. उसके बाद मुरझाया हुआ फूल इमोजी.
That's so bizarre.
I'm going to make a video.
It's a result of the parasocial relationship that our followers and subscribers have with us. It's nice.
Do you see content creators in your sapna?
Huh?
Do you see content creators in your dreams?
I don't.
I don't. I have seen Shah Rukh in my dreams, but not
No, I
content
have seen
creators.
both of you in my dreams, but I don't consider you content creators because I
Yeah,
have seen
we are
you,
friends.
met you in
हाँ.
person, right? So that
Yeah, we
मैं
are
तो एक
friends.
वीडियो
Yes.
बनाने वाला हूँ कि भाई अगर मैं तुम्हारे सपने में आ रहा हूँ प्लीज डोंट टेल मी आई डोंट वांट टू नो अबाउट इट
yes, it's a bit weird. But yeah, okay. Sorry, one of the things that I was also thinking of in relation to this vote chori thing, right? What if RJD wins?
wins as in
So,
gets
like,
more
let's
votes
say,
than the BJP and then forms a government because they
yes,
can't take
yes.
that for granted anymore.
I mean, like, it forms the government,
Form
it
the
gets like
government.
a high number of seats, and BJP doesn't do well, and JDU doesn't do well, and then what happens to vote chori?
See, I will be very happy that BJP lost. I will not say anything about Rajat winning. Rajat has Priyanka Bharti. I have huge high hopes for her. I hope she becomes the chief minister of Bihar one day. She's wonderful. Other than Priyanka, मतलब उतना ज़्यादा तो मुझे knowledge भी नहीं है कि मैं ऐसे बोल सकूं. But I'll just be happy that the BJP lost.
Yeah, वो तो like I think
मैं तो पार्टी करेगा.
You think it might be the BJP's plan कि अभी यार बहुत से लोग वोट चोरी की बात कर रहे हैं, let them win and form the government so that people at least stop talking about vote chori. You're saying that?
no, I don't think that is the case. But okay, what I'm seeing right now, I don't know, I might be wrong, but I'm just theorizing. One, all the workers on the ground are being educated, made aware. The Voter Adhikar Yatra was a starting of this awareness, more or less, right? I know for a fact, I've seen a bunch of videos, I've spoken to some people also, like journalists who have been to Bihar, that people are hyper vigilant, some of them at least, about their whether their names are on the voter list, etc. But this is concentrated in urban centers, right?
Yeah.
Today we have seen videos, many videos actually, about people who have gone, they realized कि उनका vote delete हो गया है because of the SIR thing, and they have been returned. Or in some cases उनको digital ये बोला था and they were returned. तो weird things are happening. Voter suppression बोल सकते हैं इसको, because SIR I think was a exercise in voter suppression to begin with, right? So what I think will happen is that some sort of anger will definitely come out in this election against the BJP and JDU. Some sort of anger, right? And bringing in like Jan Suraj type characters inside, I feel like Jan Suraj will also damage NDA and JDU because they're eating their votes, whatever, right? So in a case where RJD manages to scratch through and win, which is Tejasvi becomes chief minister, right? Narrative क्या होगा उसके बाद? Because this whole vote chori thing, I think they will go to town, like BJP will go to town with this. Because think about it, Vimo, what you were asking is कि will BJP let them win, right? Again, the thing is, if they do nothing, they will win. I feel like that. Which is like, if they don't do vote chori, then they win. I mean, if you think about it that way. Otherwise, why would they do vote chori, right? Or not? So that's where I'm at.
I
What do you
don't
think?
know. I mean, I honestly don't think that like winning apart, I don't think the RJD will form a government as long as this shit is going on, because if Haryana is anything to go by, with such a huge margin, they could just manipulate it to form a government. Then there's no way this is happening. But if it does happen, I think we can at least come to the conclusion that talking about this shit does have an impact. And maybe next time there's an election or something, making us think about elections that are being manipulated might have an impact that ends up affecting the outcome of the election positively.
अरे मैडम के होम स्टेट में भी इलेक्शंस है ना, असम में, वेस्ट बंगाल में, all these places are going for elections. Maybe इसका, see, the thing is like this vote chori thing is also aimed at those elections also. I think it's not just about Bihar, but it's going to be for future elections, and some major elections are coming. Tamil Nadu,
See, listen,
Kerala.
if they win Bihar, if RJD wins Bihar, the
Sorry,
good
Medusa, I'm
thing-
just interrupting because so many comments have already come. Your curls look amazing, is what everybody's like. Amazing curls. Oh my god, Medusa looking fire. So yes, just saying. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. The name is not Mamdani, unfortunately. But anyway,
Go on.
can I do something like that with Medusa? MED. The name is Medusa.
होगा
MEDUS.
rhyme होगा.
The only thing you can do with your name is make the initials like Dr. MK DMK. And if you choose to use AI, then AI DMK.
और ये मेडुसा इतना हिलता है ना, मुझे बार बार उसका फ्रेम
No,
इधर
it's
उधर
so
करना पड़ता है.
bad. तो अभी तक तेरे को आदत हो जानी चाहिए कि मैं हिलता रहता
वो
हूँ.
पता है, अब ऑडियंस को भी
और
पता है कि
frame
ये
adjust करना
he'll
पड़ता
going
है.
to adjust like very badly.
हमारी कोरेस्पॉन्डेंट जो अब वहां नहीं है जहाँ वो थी.
जावत से होना चाहिए. मैं प्रदीप भंडारी का 144p वर्जन as far as moving is concerned. नहीं, मैं कुछ बोल रहा था about like for example, Bihar is extremely important for these guys to win right now because इसके बाद immediately यूपी है. यूपी 27 में है. इसके बाद immediately 4 है. वेस्ट बंगाल, तमिलनाडु, पुदुचेरी, केरला और असम. 5 में 2026 में इलेक्शन है. ठीक है. और आई थिंक द क्लोजेस्ट वन इज असम ओनली, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. अभी इसके बाद इमीडिएटली असम है. और असम
वेस्ट बंगाल के साथ ही होगा ना वो.
वेस्ट बंगाल का कब है? असम में तो
Same-
अप्रैल
same
मार्च में
time.
हो जाएगा.
सेम टाइम आई थिंक. क्या
सेम टाइम?
हाँ हाँ.
जो भी है. तो वेस्ट बंगाल में वैसे भी उनके लिए मुश्किल है थोड़ा सा. वैसे भी मतलब ममता दीदी इज नॉट गोइंग टू लेट लाइक she's probably the only one who can take Narendra Modi like one-on-one. ठीक है. Remember this one time when the Sindoor thing was happening, Operation Sindoor में they had this plan, no, to give Sindoor to every house, and Mamta Didi in a press conference is like अपनी मिसेस को भेजिए. So anyway, so it's very important for them to win Bihar because that is going to influence the West Bengal and Assam. Assam में तो
Yes.
वैसे by the way,
Agreed.
it's like a walkover thing for them Assam में. But no, it was a walkover thing. It was a walkover thing before Zubinda's death. But after Zubinda's death, the way
you think it will have political impact?
Absolutely, you guys
Oh,
have no
really?
idea how crazy we are about Zubinda. Okay,
Interesting.
And
Tell me more.
It
Like,
was,
wait, I didn't know about this, but like, how will it have a political impact?
It is already starting to, because the thing is almost in the same duration in the month after Zubinda's death, there were certain, for what he did, like getting Zubinda to Assam and all his last rites and everything, all of them done very nicely, and that was appreciated, and that is also like something that he is supposed to do. So it's not something like it's like the bare
He
minimum,
meaning the
right?
chief minister.
The chief minister, yes. The chief minister's position, the chief minister, yes, for someone of a stature as big as Zubinda, not just stature, for somebody who is like everybody's, हमारा भाई है वो, हमारे भाई का अपने परिवार का आदमी है वो, तो उसके लिए उतना is appreciated also. I'm appreciating that कि अच्छा किया. Having said that, during that same period, 10 दिन के उनके श्राद्ध के 10 दिन के period वाले बाद वाले दिन में, they had obviously, because so many meetings have been lined up, so many launch of new schemes have been lined up, so वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा. So he's doing all of that. He is doing the अरुणोदय बोल के जो हमारा assamese की महिला, असम की महिलाओं के लिए स्कीम है. ठीक है. 1250 rupees they give to every woman. तो ये 1250 वाला जो अमाउंट है वो सबके खाते में डालता है. That अरुणोदय 3.0 बोल के उन्होंने शुरू किया था. So all of this was happening in that particular period only, when the people of Assam were extremely agitated and extremely angry कि जो Zubinda के responsible लोग थे, not for his death but like responsible for the safety and security of Zubinda, his manager, the people, the organizers of the particular festival that he went to, उन लोगों को आप लाइए और उन लोगों को आप अकाउंटेबल ठहराइए. ठीक है. So the Justice for Zubin Ghat campaign began. The Justice for Zubin Ghat campaign के दौरान there were people who were on the street. Some people were arrested. There was one person who tried to file an FIR against the chief minister's wife because the chief minister's wife has had business connections with these organizers of the same festival.
Resort in the middle of a forest, no?
वो तो है ही. वो रिजॉर्ट वगैरह तो है ही. शी इज लाइक द क्वीन मीडिया मोगल है वो. ठीक है. जैसे असम दुनिया में, इंडिया में गोदी मीडिया है, असम में मामी मीडिया है. मामी, because Himanta Biswa Sarma is known as Mama. ठीक है. He is called Mama.
Oh,
He's called
I
Mama
didn't know
in
that
Assam.
also. Yeah.
He's called Mama in Assam. So his wife she has at least 4 different channels, which she owns, her company owns, and then she has had other connections with the organizer, who obviously were in better times organized festivals and organized fashion shows, etc. So obviously वो better times की हैं. I'm not saying कि they had connection in the same in the festival for which Zubinda had gone. उसकी बात मैं नहीं कर रही. मैं पहले के relations, पहले के connections हैं, business connections रहे हैं. So people started taking these things out, and then they started getting angry and angry and
Okay.
angry because वो accountability नहीं मिल रही थी ना. This person who filed an FIR against her, he was arrested. ठीक है? People who were protesting in front of the organizer's house कि इसको बंद करो, and because his house was sealed by CID कि इसको अरेस्ट करो, तो उनको वो अरेस्ट हो गए जो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे. सम क्रिएटर्स हैव बीन अरेस्टेड, सम क्रिएटर्स हैव बीन सेंट नोटिसेस, लीगल नोटिसेस टू स्टॉप टॉकिंग अबाउट थिंग्स. ये सारी चीजें हो रही है ना. एंड असम इज एक्सट्रीमली सेंसिटिव व्हेन इट कम्स टू जुबिन, स्पेशली बिकॉज हिज डेथ वाज सो सडन. Nobody was prepared for it, and it's something that every single one of us have felt. I don't even have to tell you. मैं एक महीने से जब से उनका डेथ हुआ था, मुझे समझ मतलब मन ही नहीं करा कुछ करने का, because it's a different grieving
No,
altogether.
I understand. Yeah.
Yeah, I was
So
very
because
consistent.
of,
I
so
would
this is
see
going to
people.
be हाँ.
Sorry, but I was just pointing out that sometimes people come to my comments and say, "Sir, please Zubinda पे एक video बनाएं," and I was like, I don't know anything about him, man.
Same.
Yeah.
I feel your
Yeah.
pain, but
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
really overflowing.
No, and
Yeah,
it's
no,
really
it's
sad.
it's
No,
different.
what makes me even sadder is that it took his death for me to realize how important it is, which
Yeah.
also shows how I am so unaware about cultural icons across the country. Like, I
Yeah.
mean, like
Yeah.
the
Same here.
fact that Zubinda's death is having a political impact and it is related
It
to
is,
what I
it is.
do. It's a little, I'm caught a little off guard, honestly, by this whole saga that is going on. And honestly, I don't know where to enter from also, because there is like such cultural context there and such
Yes.
emotional context there,
Yeah,
which I
yeah.
think you have been telling me for a while,
Yeah,
like a month now.
You just have to go, because Himanta Biswa Sarma, what he does is he has used Facebook very well for the past 5 years. Okay, for his entire term, for the term before that also, the BJP has been able to use Facebook very well, because majority number of people who are on social media in Assam, they are using Facebook. So he comes almost every other day on Facebook or in a live. After this started happening, after Zubinda's death, he was like, "Nahi, we will give justice. We'll get justice for Zubinda," and so on and so forth. And the people were like, if this doesn't happen, if these guys are not arrested, if these guys are not held accountable, then you will not be elected. Mama 26 is coming. Everybody was like, "Mama, 26 ahi aise, 26 ahi aise. 26 is coming, 26 is coming. Remember, Mama." So he was like, people are saying, he said this live on a Facebook live. He's like, if we are not able to deliver justice for Zubin Garg, if people are saying that they will not vote for me, do not vote for me. Okay? Number one, he said this. 2 days later, the things have changed, because 2 days later, people are angrier. The same thing is happening. Nothing is dying down. 2 days later, he comes and said, "Do not let Zubin Garg's death be the reason why you are not going to vote for me. If I'm not delivering for the promises that I have made, if I'm not developing the state, then don't vote for me. Like, be issue based. Do not let Zubinda's death
Oh my God.
be the
okay.
reason."
Very insensitive. Yeah.
Just like 3 days later, so people are watching, people are seeing all of these things, no? And then older videos of him talking about Zubinda in a very very bad derogatory manner, because Zubinda was a very he was this amazing person who was like, he did not give a rat's ass to anyone. Okay, he has said this on stage, "Khenda ka ko khatir no karo," मतलब मैं किसी की खातिर नहीं करता मैं, ठीक है? And he has said from stage कि 1250 रुपए में बिकने वाले लोग हैं, ठीक है? 1250 is the amount of the Arunodaya Asoni का ये number.
So it was very
1250 में
political
लोग-
also.
Very political.
Nice.
He has said Lal Salam from stage. He has said कि do not be socialist, be ये क्या कहते हैं
Henry is pointing out
समाजवादी.
Zubin fought on the cultural front as a lefty. So
Yes, he did.
yeah,
he
yeah.
said Lal Salam.
Also,
he said
sorry,
Lal Salam very clearly.
another thing, when Disha is saying, यहाँ पे, which I'll end this with this, but we have to move on to Mamdani also. Disha is saying, fun fact, S. Ulfa, aka Jitin Dutt, who has close ties with BJP, is campaigning for the justice for Zubin movement.
Ah.
In that context, Medusa ma'am, will Zubin's death really cause any consequential change? Himanta seems to be profiting more from his rhetoric, and Assam seems more crazy to me right now. So I mean, you have already given so much context about that.
Yeah.
But tell me, कांग्रेस क्या कर रहा है वहां पे? I mean, ultimately, that is the thing, right? It's like
See, I am very, very
like, people
torn.
must be pissed off. See, no, sorry. Let me put this in context, right? I understand that people must be angry with Himanto about how he is dealing with
Yeah.
this whole Zubin Garg thing, right? But have they decided to vote against him? Are they deciding to take him out of power and vote for the Congress? Because that's a
See,
another layer.
अभी तक ये see, if they decide to vote against him, the vote is going to go to the Congress anyway. ठीक है, उसका कोई question नहीं है, उसका कोई doubt नहीं है. But the thing is, and this is very अभी भी, क्योंकि अभी भी Justice for Zubin का campaign is very strong. People are making videos every single day, and or this one has done some faux pas as far as this is concerned, which is like moving the accused from one jail, from the central jail to another jail, in like very far away from Guwahati in Buxar district, where people attacked the van which was carrying them. ठीक है? And they were like कि इनको क्या लगा था, हिमंतो मामा को लगा था कि हम लोग को, at this time what they're doing is they're giving them the money and the ये food अनाज and all, and they're also giving सरसों का तेल. ठीक है, so he's like, we don't want your sarson ka tel, take your sarson ka tel, give us Zubin Da ke liye justice, because these guys, we do not want them here. So the jail where they transferred them to, it's like a new jail which was made, and of course, like ऐसा नहीं है कि वो VIP jail है और वो है, but then new jail. So he's doing all of these things which are like, you know, these are like, as far as Zubinda's life and death have been concerned, these are faux pas that he is doing, and this is
Right.
going to cost him 100%.
Got it.
Where I am torn is that I do like, because as a fan, as a Zubinda fan, as somebody who has loved him, I do not want Congress to be using this politically, and so far I do not think that they have been. They have taken out a couple of peace marches. The kids of the members of the youth Congress are very active as far as the whole protests etc. are concerned, but they are the ones who are being arrested also. But I think if they are not using this to push an anti-Himanta narrative, it is doing good, because people do not want to see this topic politicized.
Makes sense. Yeah, that
हाँ,
also-
they do not,
yeah.
even if they are not doing anything, I think that's a good move, because as far as this issue is concerned, Himanta Biswa Sharma should be allowed to do whatever he is doing, because whatever he has been doing so far has been detrimental to his image.
Fair.
तो मुझे लगता है कि वो लोग सेल्फ इमोलेट कर लेंगे तो बेटर है. आपको तेल घी डालने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
Understood.
आप चुप रहिए. You just demand justice for Zubin Garg, and yes, I think that those things are there. And other than that, there are other issues. We have corruption. We have the ST status of the 6 communities, which was promised all of those years ago in 2019, and it has still not happened.
Ganesh Gaslighter excluding Assam from the SIR specifically, because वहाँ पे NRC का already फिर भी चल ही रहा है. Okay, I just want to move on from this and go to the next subject that we have to also like talk
Yeah.
about. Actually, we had not decided to talk about Zubinda, so that got added. Thank you, Medusa.
Yeah.
Because I think it requires a lot of context what you're
Yeah.
saying. Mamdani.
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 I have sung this so many times now.
Vibho, you want to start with Mamdani?
I don't know what to say. I mean, it was expected that he'll win, but the 50% was a surprise. And
It's a huge difference, right? I think it's the largest
मैं actually
difference in the
screenshot
history.
देखा when he was like 48 or 49 something, and was showing Andrew Cuomo is at 41 something, and the red cap guy was at much less.
Yeah.
I was like, हाँ, ऐसा इंडिया में होता तो Cuomo और बीजेपी में होता तो जीत चुका होता अब तक.
First, yeah.
The margin is not much great. आराम से जीत चुका होता अब तक तो. And then he crossed 50%. I was like, okay, अब हो गया. वो लोग भी नाचने लगे उधर. But the reason I wanted to talk about this is that there is a history to this, right?
Yes.
इंडिया में इसके बारे में जो भी बात हो रही है वो इसलिए हो रही है क्योंकि he is from an
Muslim, Gujarati Muslim, yeah.
and Muslim. So religion के बारे में बात हो रही है, minority के बारे में बात हो रही है, but socialist के बारे में बात नहीं हो रही है. कम हो रही है इंडिया में कम से कम, right?
Important.
Because
Yes.
the problem is the same one. there is a professor called Lawrence Lessig, who
Okay.
is like a technology something in the, he's a sociology tech impact on society. He ran as a symbolic candidate many years ago for the US president. उसको पता था वो नहीं जीतेगा. And every year there are some candidates who like join, make their point, they campaign, and then they back out because they know there is no point. But his campaign thing was that role of money in Congress.
Hmm.
Okay.
बिल पास होने में पैसे का जो रोल है वो बहुत बड़ा है और उसको घटाना है. People in US politics, हमारा भी, but as far back as the 60s and 70s, there have been candidates who have been saying this needs to rely less on money and more on people's welfare. The fact that this has happened in New York, which is the like Makkah of capitalism,
Capitalism.
in the country called USA, which is the Makkah of capitalism, Makkah within a Makkah, in an election where the Democratic candidate is an agent of the rich, is being endorsed by a Republican president for a socialist to win.
Yes.
If this shows nothing else, then at the very least it shows that the politics of the time is completely out of touch with what people want.
Ideas are beautiful.
तो
Yes.
उनका मतलब उनके बड़े से बड़े बिलियनर्स ने पैसा ठूस के इसको डिस्क्रेडिट करने की कोशिश की. इट स्टिल डिडंट वर्क.
Yeah.
This is not just like,
26 million.
yeah, this is not a cakewalk, right? It is a bit of a walk. And the fact that he made the walk and he got to where he did is something that's like, even if nothing else happens, it's a measure of what people chose to focus on. And that's a significant thing, I think.
You know, this is exactly why I wanted to talk about Mamdani also, right? Because one of the things is, so I know like people in India, like Medusa is also very happy. A lot of people are happy. His popularity has spread worldwide. Okay, like it's insane how this happened. But again, it is a role of happening in New York, Mecca of capitalism. I think that has also a role to
Yeah.
play. It's a very important city. It is
Yeah.
multicultural. It is like a melting pot. Plus, it is connected to the Israel-Gaza thing also because they made it
Yeah.
about that.
Mm-hmm.
Also, one of the things is that he is unapologetically socialist, and
Yeah.
this
Yes.
is so rare. I realized after he came on the platform and he is talking about it. I think other than like Bernie and AOC, who have been considered as fringe elements, I think Zohran Mamdani right from the beginning was like, मेरा ideology clear है, मैं तेरे को बता रहा है. Do deal with it. Right? तू मेरे को कम्युनिस्ट बोल, कुछ भी बोल, I will do what I want to do and I will do it well.
उसका सोशल मीडिया कैंपेन में एक था ये कि I saw this was so funny. वो साइकिल चला के जा रहा था. Somebody yelled communist and he said it's pronounced cyclist.
So one of the things, so you know what is happening is
He's
that
so good. He's so,
Yeah.
so hazard jawab, man.
Multiple
So
languages
good.
and everything.
I'm so jealous of him. He's extremely articulate. My
Oh
partner,
my
she has
god,
been
we talked about this.
yes, my
and
partner
I.
has been saying, ki, why aren't you that articulate? Look at Mamdani, learn from him, do something. No, sorry.
Bloody,
Other than
I have not heard that man fumble even once.
dude, I cannot. Like,
This comes from him being from an entertainment
filler
background.
Words once. No filler words also. भी नहीं करता वो. भी नहीं करता.
He's a singer and he's acted and done everything. Have you seen his music videos?
Yeah.
yeah,
The one with Madhur Jaffrey and stuff.
Mr. Cardamom, what little
Mr. Cardamom. Back from Kenya, उसका पूरा background है.
सिर्फ apron पहन के हलाल
So he has a
के अंदर.
performance background, right? So
Yeah.
he doesn't.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
helps him, I guess.
So no, but the thing is, हमारे
No,
यहाँ
but still,
पे
whatever, all of the things considered also, यार, फिर भी, यार, तो इतना articulate, इतना English में, and then zingers after zinger,
he's a rapper.
zingers after zinger. I mean, the one where the integrity experience wala line. What you lack in experience, what I lack in experience, I make up for in integrity. What you lack in integrity, you can never make up for in experience. OMG.
Yeah. जी rapper
I
आदमी है.
mean, bro.
It's like
what the
preparation.
hell?
बहुत prepare
बहुत
किया.
prepare करता है.
Like it's like sitting in a room with a bunch of his members of his team and then telling them to go hard on me. That's how you do this. That's how you do this.
I need this in my life.
You-
Guys, there is
What a
there
time.
is
I
something
don't
here.
need this in my
There
life
is an
because
idea
I will
here.
have-
Yes, members only
नहीं, तू कर
roasts.
लेगा, तू कर
Medusa
लेगा,
actually
तू कर
डंडा
लेगा.
पकड़ के आएगी. Oh, I said red
मैं मारने आ सकती है, पर मैं अपने पे रोस्ट नहीं ले सकती ना, मेरे से ना हो पाएगा। मेरी लड़ाई हो जाएगी।
Wait, but I was coming to the point that हमारे यहाँ पे ट्विटर पे of course like people are celebrating, everyone from Mahua Moitra to everyone is celebrating this, and then वहां से जजमेंट भी आ रहा है कि अरे तुमको तो मुंबई का मेयर कौन है पता नहीं है। मुंबई का मेयर ही नहीं है।
which is like जहाँ से भी हो, it's a valid criticism कि we should be more interested in our politics. The reason I am interested in this is because there are serious repercussions for our politics where
Yes,
politics is reliant on money too much.
I
That is why.
exactly that's
Also-
what no I want to give an answer for that, which is like कि why are people here obsessed with Mamdani? So yeah, Vimo, you were also saying complete thought.
I think they're obsessed because it's an Indian man with his mom is a
मीरा
film
नायर।
director, मीरा नायर। अरे अपनी मीरा नायर का लड़का उस टाइप का भी बोलने के लिए उनका ये हो रहा है। बट द फैक्ट दैट उधर like this is happening at a very weird point of time in history where the Indian American elite who had sided with the Republican side are receiving racist attacks from their own party. And Mamdani, right before his election, he's making outreach to groups who his opponents said he hates. So he does a thing with New York's Jews. He
Yeah.
does a thing with New York's Hindus. He does a thing with the wider diaspora from South Asia, from Trinidad and Tobago to like एक का नाम लेके उनको थैंक यू बोला अपने स्पीच में,
Yes.
जिसमें नेहरू को भी कोट किया बाय द वे,
Mhm.
जिसको सुन के भक्त की छाती पे सांप लौट गए होंगे। तो वो सब कर रहा था। So I think there are plenty of connecting strings to India, so people are excited. But on the whole, इसका इंडिया के ऊपर कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला। इंडियन अमेरिकन के ऊपर पड़ सकता है जो न्यूयॉर्क में रहते हैं। And as an example, that this is what kind of sort of what Aam Aadmi Party was proposing in the beginning before Arvind Kejriwal went the way he went. बसों को फ्री करना, प्राइसेस को घटाना, being the sole point. मैं इजराइल नहीं जाऊंगा, मुझे 2 पैसे का फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मुझे बसों को फ्री करना है। उस टाइप का। So as an example, it has great value, but we are not
Yeah.
focusing on it for the right reasons.
Medusa, what do you think?
मेरे को लगता है कि his I think as in this entire context his Muslim identity is extremely important because for the sole reason of how much vilification of the Muslim identity happens in our country, happens in America. ठीक है, हाँ ठीक है, वो he is a socialist, he is very anti-capitalist in nature, हाँ वो बिल्कुल सही है, लेकिन the fact that he is one of the most targeted and constant and regular attacks against Zoran Mamdani was that he is a Muslim. ठीक है, including from absolutely ridiculous things like whom he calls an aunt.
Oh, yeah,
Father's cousin aunt होती है, ये व्हाइट जनता को तो पता ही नहीं है, हमारे में तो सब फूफी मौसी सब लगेंगी। ठीक है, हम लोग पता नहीं सबको
हाथ से खा रहा है।
हाँ, हम लोग असम में राह चलते वाले, मतलब एज इन इफ यू हैव टू टॉक टू समबडी, ये हम लोग या तो दादा बोलते हैं, दादा इज भैया, और अगर कोई बुजुर्ग हैं तो उनको खुड़ा बोलेंगे, खुड़ा इज चाचा जी, या फिर ये भाई साहब का कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है। अंकल अंकल भी बहुत बाद में आया, खुड़ा
यहाँ पे मौसी मौसा
खुड़ा इज द मेजर लाइक स्टैंडर्ड कि पापा से छोटे खुड़ा, एंड अगर लड़की हुई मतलब महिला हुई अगर मैरिड है तो खुड़ी, अगर नहीं है तो दीदी हो गया या फिर भाईडियो हो गया, समथिंग लाइक दैट। ठीक है,
खुड़ी इज
चाची।
oh yeah, same here.
हाँ, खुड़ी इज चाची। हाँ, खुड़ी आप तुम्हारे यहाँ उड़िया में भी वही है। तो सो हाँ, तो ये दिस वेरी लाइक his religion, his skin color, his identity as this Ugandan Indian Muslim person, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा, because why it is important to notice is because this is the thing which he was attacked on, and this is the thing that people in this country, people in our world are being attacked on right now because they happen to be Muslim, because they happen to wear a skull cap, because they happen to look a certain way, they are being targeted, and that is the reason why his victory is important for every single person who feels victimized because of their Muslim identity, because of their appearance based on their faith. That's why it's important. इसीलिए मुझको लगता है कि ये ग्लोबल हमारे यहाँ पे ऑब्वियसली ये उसके लेवल पर, पॉलिटिकल लेवल पर, या फिर एक क्या कहते हैं उसको, electoral level, but there is no importance of Zohran Mamdani. But for the Muslim people of our country, for the Muslim people everywhere, they will look at Mamdani and they will know that this can happen. So I think, मतलब obviously not everybody, like this is also a very classist, privileged outlook to have. क्योंकि जो एकदम जिस मुसलमान के साथ बुरा हो रहा है, जो मुसलमान मर रहा है बीफ ले जाने के उसमें क्या कहते हैं शक में, उसको तो पता भी नहीं होगा ममदानी कौन है. सो अगेन मैं बहुत
The thing I wanted to point out was there is another American politician who would not have risen to popularity had people not constantly focused on him and talked about him. It is Donald Trump. So
मुझे लगा ओबामा बोलेगा.
in a way, all this, like ये लोग इसको, the worst thing they can do to him right now is ignore him.
Yes.
As long as they keep talking about him, as long as they keep, like, making him this great big monster, he will only benefit from it as far as his politics is concerned.
And I
Yeah.
think it's actually a very clever thing that he and his campaign team did. So okay, so two reasons why I have been also like following Mamdani, and I am also happy that he won. First is, I think, socialism. Like I feel like there hasn't been such a great articulate message from a socialist in a while on an international scale, right? Or at least I feel it's an international scale because Indian origin, jo bhi hai, he was in my radar, right? I feel like all my favorite
Also so
leftist-
young.
Yeah, very young.
Like Bernie Sanders has talked about socialism,
Yeah,
but then he's not young, so people don't relate.
Exactly.
In his acceptance speech, he said, "I am young despite my best attempts to grow older."
Yeah, and it's such a refreshing thing that someone like him, and also the all of my like the content creators from America that I follow, etc., who are left-leaning content creators, they have been like very happy. They've been talking about his campaign, etc. But I think what makes it even more attractive is the campaign itself. I feel like the biggest
was a very good
reason
campaign.
why I was watching this is because the campaign was so well done. It
So good.
started with man on the street interviews, right? In
Do you
New
know
York
who?
City.
Do you
No,
know
and-
who
but
was
sorry.
who was the head of her campaign? His campaign?
I had the name.
His wife.
His wife?
Yes,
I'm
his
thinking of the
wife.
people who came up with the designs, basically
Oh,
the
no. His
campaign
wife was
designs
the
and
one
that.
doing the whole campaign, and today there was this article about meet Zohran Mamdani's aloof wife who ran his campaign from behind the scenes.
Rama,
So
right? Her
aloof-
name is Rama.
Rama.
Yeah.
So aloof wife, okay. And so somebody had quote tweeted this and saying, "I only want to be their aloof wife who runs an NYC mayor's successful campaign when I grow up."
Yeah.
So good. Yeah, go on.
So I was saying the
on the street.
campaign, it was so effective. So he started with man on the street interviews, right? But the interesting thing is the man on the street interviews was about how he was talking to voters who were earlier Democratic and they have voted for Trump. Like he was just picking out people from the crowd who were like, why are you disappointed with our party? Why are you disappointed with Democrats? What happened? Why did you vote for Trump? This is New York. Why have you turned red? And he used to hold a sign saying, let's talk about the elections. And he would do it. And उसको कोई पत्ता नहीं देता था पहले, एक साल पहले, right? And then he
1% पे
kept
था.
doing that.
1%, yeah, he was at 1%.
Yeah, he was at 1%. उसको कोई पत्ता नहीं दिया था तब, right? And he kept doing that. And he would tell, like in the end, he would tell, oh, I'm standing for mayor New York. Again, किसी ने पत्ता नहीं दिया उसको, right? But dude, consistently he kept doing that. And he was so good with social media. He was so effective with communication. Like the kind of videos he did, they were so happy. There were like Bollywood music playing in the background, unapologetically Indian also.
Yes,
Which
yes.
I think was very interesting to see in an American campaign. I feel that is what made it so relatable for people in India also, because वो क्या है, वो preferential voting explain कर रहा है और बीच में पीछे ओम शांति ओम बज रहा है.
Bengali पे वो भी.
हाँ, exactly. Yeah, he did it in multiple languages.
Yeah.
He did it in
Bengali
Urdu
में,
also.
Spanish में.
Yeah, and it's
Spanish,
actually,
Hindi to he speaks Hindi without an accent. It's beautiful.
He
Like
speaks better Hindi than
Hindustani.
some of us do.
हाँ, वो हिंदुस्तानी इतना बढ़िया हिंदुस्तानी बोलता है, एकदम बढ़िया, एकदम कोई एक्सेंट नहीं, बढ़िया से
हाँ।
आराम से बात करता है, बहुत अच्छा। स्पेनिश ऑल्सो, स्पेनिश के तो उसके वीडियोस के बिहाइंड द सीन्स भी उसने रिलीज किए थे, वेयर ही इज लाइक मेमोराइजिंग द
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
सेंटेंस बिकॉज ही डज नॉट
yeah.
नो द मीनिंग
And
और फिर बीच में पूछता भी है कि
I
इसका
think his
मीनिंग क्या
social
है।
media campaign was kind of helped by the fact that his opponent's campaign was so lackluster.
So
Like
zero.
aside from the
No,
fact that
but
he's a big
also
man,
other than that तो is there of course, like the opponents were garbage. I mean, let's just not kid ourselves. उनके पास कुछ था ही नहीं. Like, but what Mamdani managed to do all the time, which I'm so impressed by, is कोई भी ऐसे question पूछ दे उसको, he will bring it down to the people of New York and their problems and affordability and all his campaign promises, etc. And he did it so smoothly. I was like, that's impressive. I was like,
Very, very impressive.
yeah, उसके
Very
सामने वाला
impressive.
है, मैं कहाँ था, कहाँ आ गया मैं?
हाँ exactly, it's exactly that, which is like question कहाँ था, उसने कहाँ पे ला लिया और उसका point भी कर लिया. It's
You know why a campaign like that is not possible in our country?
why?
I keep coming back to this. The sheer number of people that we are. जितने न्यूयॉर्क में लोग हैं उतने तेरे मालवीय नगर में होंगे,
That-
ठीक है?
That's कितने 20 लाख
न्यूयॉर्क
लोगों ने
What is
कितने
the
ने
population of New York?
तो उतने तो तुम्हारे बेटा मालवीय नगर में उतने वोट
Someone in
छूट
chat
जाते
said
होंगे।
Mamdani is a successful main nerd.
Hey, New York का population
नहीं,
only
मालवीय को
85
बोला
lakhs
कि
है.
मालवीय नगर में लड़के जीत के दिखाए तो बात करेगा, उसके बाद नहीं। और दूसरी बात ये एक द शेयर नंबर ऑफ पीपल, नंबर वन, ठीक है। दूसरी बात ये है कि इफ यू वांट टू गो एंड स्पीक टू पीपल अबाउट देयर इश्यूज, अबाउट व्हाई दे वोटेड फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर पार्टी, व्हाई दे डिडंट वोट फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर पार्टी, दे डोंट हैव द टाइम टू टॉक अबाउट दीज थिंग्स। इन न्यूयॉर्क पीपल हैव मिनिमम वेज, पीपल हैव पीपल इवन इफ ऑफ कोर्स वहां पे होमलेसनेस की प्रॉब्लम है, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं है, लेकिन हमारे कंपैरिजन में बहुत कम है। मिनिमम वेज है, सोशल वेलफेयर है, लोग खाना खा लेते हैं, उन्हें फूड स्टैम्प्स मिल जाते हैं लोगों को, ठीक है। वेटरन्स है, ड्रग प्रॉब्लम है, ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज नो हेल्थ केयर डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट। अगर तुम्हारे पास इंश्योरेंस नहीं है और तुमको डायबिटीज है तो तुम मर जाओगे, क्योंकि एक इंसुलिन का शॉट जो है $1200 का आता है, ठीक।
You were
लोग
in New
कनाडा
York, no, Medusa
हाँ,
earlier?
I was in New York. I was in New York. I was in Queens only. I was in Queens,
Oh.
Jacksonite, जहाँ पे ममदानी घूमता रहता था। तो बताओ आज के दिन में मैं ममदानी से मिल लेती, बताओ यार, छोड़ो। Anyways, point is, मैं उसकी कैंपेन मैनेजर बनती 2-3। So anyway, तो उसमें so हाँ, तो they have welfare, they have social welfare. People go to health care नहीं है, इसीलिए इंसुलिन वगैरह के लिए they literally cross Canadian borders, मतलब put their lives at risk for an insulin shot. लाइक वहां मेक्सिको चले जाते हैं, कनाडा के बॉर्डर चले जाते हैं, क्योंकि वहां पे हेल्थ केयर है, मेक्सिको में सस्ता मिल जाएगा और वहां पे कनाडा में हेल्थ केयर है। तो आप यहाँ तक करने की, तो ये इवन दो हेल्थ केयर इज एन इशू, बट अदर देन दैट वेलफेयर का जो वो है, मिनिमम वेज है, लोगों के पास खाने को पैसा है, they can think like something which Mamdani has also said in one of his ये उसमें कि we can हमको लोगों को empower करना है to not just keep the lights on, but to you know आगे भी, उससे आगे भी बढ़ो। जो मैं कहती रहती हूँ कि सर्वाइवल के आगे बढ़ना है। हम लोग यहाँ पे सर्वाइवल की ही लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं। यहाँ पे मेजोरिटी पॉपुलेशन जो है, अगर तुम मालवीय नगर में खड़े होकर किसी से बात कर, मेजोरिटी सर्वाइवल की लड़ाई है। कोई वहां 10-10 रुपए का ब्लिंकिट करके घर चला रहा है अपना, बच्चों की फीस भर रहा है, तो उसके पास समय नहीं है तेरे साथ बात करने के लिए कि किसको वोट दिया किसको नहीं दिया। अगर उसको वोट देने के टाइम पे किसी ने 5000 रुपए पकड़ाए या 1500 रुपए पकड़ाए कि जाके इस पार्टी को वोट डाल के आना, वो डाल के आएगा, क्योंकि उसको 1500 रुपए मिल रहे हैं उस दिन
Because the poverty
ये
in
हमारे
America
पास।
versus poverty in India is not at all comparable.
जमीन आसमान का डिफरेंस।
बिहार तो छोड़ ही दो, बिहार में जो हो रहा है, like it's crazy. There is a comment here. Nehal is saying this is proof that the world needs younger politicians. His campaign tapped younger voters on ground realities, and his social media reach was a game changer. Another thing though, New York is a very social media friendly city also. I mean, I feel like New York में it is possible to do a very social media heavy campaign as well, because
everybody knows.
yeah, and also like
Also वहाँ वोट चोरी नहीं हो रही है कम से कम.
हाँ, वो चोरी नहीं हो रही है।
yes, of
पता
course.
चला ममदानी पूरे साल कैंपेन करता, लोगों से बात करता है, एवरीवन वोट फॉर एंड देन सडनली कोमा बन जाता है.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
कोमा बोलता है
Sweep हो जाता है,
मुझे
sweep.
पता था लोग सीक्रेटली मुझे ही प्यार करते हैं. थैंक यू न्यूयॉर्क, एंड ही कंटिन्यूज डूइंग व्हाट द शिट इज डूइंग.
But
Somebody said also, कोमा के टाइम, इसके टाइम पे, प्राइमरी के टाइम पे बोला था कि अमित शाह को बुलाया गया था। अमित शाह पहुंच नहीं पाए। अभी तो था कि अभी ज्ञानेश जी को बुलाया गया था, पर ज्ञानेश जी बिहार इलेक्शन में
ए,
बिजी
एक बात बताओ मुझे, यहाँ पे ठीक है लिबरल्स आर सेलिब्रेटिंग एक्सेट्रा, बट भजपिल्ले क्यों मेल्ट डाउन कर रहे हैं? मतलब वो तो
मुस्लिम है
9/11
इसलिए,
तक चले गए बेसिकली, दे वर
मुस्लिम है और मोदी को कुछ बोला था कुछ साल पहले, that's all
बस
they need.
that's it,
और क्या चाहिए?
that's the whole reason,
और
like
कुछ
that's
नहीं
what
चाहिए
they can
उनको.
handle.
These are people.
I
These are
think
people who are
it's called
justifying the
Modi a war
Brazilian
criminal.
model. How much intelligence do you think their causes hold?
That's
No,
true.
Mamdani called Narendra Modi a war criminal
Yeah.
at par with Netanyahu.
Oh, yeah. Okay. And also, so okay, one thing, Vimo, if you can answer this also, because I've been thinking about this. Resurgence of socialism in the world,
Oh,
because
Allah.
is it even possible? Because I feel like one of the section that is really happy with this and are looking at this as like a, I don't know, a fire starter of sorts, is the people who are tired with late stage capitalism. Like this whole late stage capitalism that has taken over, including tech companies, all the things, the IT bubble that is going on there, AI bubble, whatever, is just like everybody else is living in a different world and super rich people are living in a different world, and that is the
Absolutely.
complete result of late stage capitalism, and it is spreading across the world. It is already there everywhere. Now Mamdani in New York sort of coming in and disrupting that and sort of proving in a very strange way that no, there is another way. There is another way to do this shit. This is not how a country should be run. What do you think? Like, this is do you think it's a fire starter? What is happening?
I think this fire has been burning for quite some time. If you have been looking at social media short form video chatter for the last decade, the socialist movement is kind of taking root in a very strong way, to the extent
Yes.
that big budget Hollywood movies and series have characters who have been coded as communist. I have seen this in sci-fi shows, in regular shows. They talk about rich guys being assholes. They talk about capitalists being super dumb and not concerned with anything in reality. This is slowly growing, and this is a kind of a crescendo what has happened in New York. But I
Yeah,
think
even
that this will continue to grow.
the latest Superman also, didn't that also have like
Yeah,
very
yeah.
very
Very open.
overt anti-Israel stance तो उसका था ही, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी मतलब I think there was this ये also ना rich people being against rich people वाला जो idea है वो वाला वो I am very happy about that, और especially social media पे तो मुझे बहुत दिखने को मिला
Yeah,
ये
yeah,
चीज.
definitely. It's showing up in America bizarrely more than it is showing up in other parts of the world where you would think that like Europe में कम दिखने को मिल रहा है और अमेरिका में ज़्यादा दिखने को मिल रहा है. But I suppose that is only logical because वहाँ पे capitalism का damage सबसे ज़्यादा होता है.
अभी some major election also happened in Europe also, no, where the right wing lost and the socialist guy won.
कोई तो भी बोल रहा था
The
chat में कि
UK
कोई
one?
centrist party जीता in some country. I
But
was
so
doing
it's
this.
like right wing के against में
Yeah.
centrist is like the person, but then the guy was
Netherlands.
is very
अच्छा.
overtly or very vocally socialist. तो वो वाला चीज है. But one of the things which Cuomo, which Mamdani said in his end wala speech, victory speech, in the end he said, "We fought in poetry, we will work in prose." That is something, and that is
There is no
something.
reason our prose can also not be something poetic or something.
Also, but the interesting thing is that is a direct quote from Andrew Cuomo's father.
Oh,
Imagine the burn that, because Andrew Cuomo's father
Your daddy
was
now
like-
belongs to me.
yeah because Andrew Cuomo's father was apparently very good, and he was celebrated, and he's like a very well-known Democrat and everything. So लेकिन उसके बाद ये हुआ, ये Andrew Cuomo, and this is like somebody was discussing on a morning show in America कि this is the ultimate zing, because it's like your dad was good but you are shit.
yeah.
I
Yeah.
am quoting your dad, but you are shit. Because he's in the first minute itself, he's like he says ki let this be the last time I take Andrew Cuomo's name, because and I wish him the best in his private life, but let this be the last time that I take his name. So it's like, you are done, you are gone, you are like nowhere. And then next morning he gets up and he's like, remember the last time we said stop sending us money, now you can start again, because we are going to do this and we are going to hire these people. Like, he lays it out his plan. Again, what I'm saying is, जो मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ वो ये कि there is time for us to see. Yes, of course, his ideology is wonderful. It's ideology something that we absolutely stand behind. I absolutely stand behind. I want to see how he does it because he has won the position of the mayor, but वही ना पैसे वालों के पास पैसा बहुत है.
Yeah, some people have raised this
Yeah.
question also. That there were other politicians also who kind of went in with the socialist vision, but then they
कितना
work
कर
under a
पाता है?
capitalist system, and the pressure will get to you at some point. I will be interested to, so like, you know, जैसे Modi goes to New York and makes promises and something, and then Mamdani stands next to him and gets a picture taken. I don't think that's going to happen with this guy.
Nah, yeah, no, it's
Google
not
पिटाई
gonna
वगैरह कर लेंगे, ये नहीं करेगा.
नहीं करेगा.
And also,
Also,
I
he's
think
like
Modi
saying
is
very
also
clearly.
no, Modi is also now scared of going to the US because वहां पे जाके उसको पूछेंगे कि अडानी को कब
अदानी
लाया
को
है तू साथ में.
अदानी
Yeah,
को समझ नहीं दिया
There are
तूने.
like two people who hate each other in the US and they both hate Modi. It's very weird.
Triangular contest.
Hey, Republican लोग ये देखो Democrat लोग मेरे साथ क्या
एक
करते
लव ट्रायंगल होता है, ये हेट ट्रायंगल है.
हैं. Hate triangle.
But dude, Trump has been going nuts. See, that's the thing. One of the things I think which makes it even more interesting, what you said, Vimo, is that Trump was interested in him desperately. It's like he was constantly talking about him, tweeting about him. बोला कि मैं न्यूयॉर्क इन्वेड कर लेगा अगर ये जीत गया तो. Like I was like, आर्मी भेजेगा मैं, कुछ भी भाग के जा रहा था वो. And dude, see, my thing is that if a crazy man like Trump has taken interest in you, somewhere in his reptile brain he sees you as a threat. And when he sees you as a threat, I think there is a deeper message there somewhere, right? Which is, I feel like one of the things that mostly rich capitalists are afraid of is being taxed more. And Mamdani's
absolutely.
first agenda was कि मैं तेरे पे टैक्स लगाएगा.
Yeah.
लगाएगा मैं. कुछ भी करने लगाएगा.
कितना पैसा लगाया था into those campaigns to discredit Mamdani. Everyone contributed, etc. I was thinking, सर ये तो पावर में आया नहीं, अभी से टैक्स देना शुरू कर दिया ये लोग.
Yeah,
No, he
that's what
said
he said
also.
Yeah.
He said also कि जितना मैं इन पे टैक्स लगा था उससे ज्यादा इन लोगों ने कैंपेन पे खर्चा कर दिया है. इससे कम ही टैक्स I would have
Because that's
given
regular,
it
like
way
that's a
more.
recurring fee. ये एक बार
Yeah.
करके हो सकता है we can get rid of him. But that was a sign. Like ये Cuomo का campaign और ये लोग इसके बारे में जो भी बोल रहे थे, they had absolutely nothing to do with the issues on the ground. Rent के बारे
Yeah,
में या
कुछ नहीं.
इसके बारे में, they just, and that I think worked out to this guy's advantage.
Because they were also seeing him as an ideological threat, no? See,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
the thing. Because his
Which he
ideology
is.
was so strong. Like, he was like unapologetically social democrat.
Hey, did you see what Vivek Ramaswamy said
What did he
immediately
say?
after he won? Oh, this guy, this dude, this Republican, he's like, listen, we have seen what has happened, the debacle that has happened in New York. Apparently, there were 3 elections which are happening at the same time. All 3 have been
Democrats,
lost
हाँ,
by,
हाँ,
yeah.
New York,
lost by
New
the
Jersey
Republicans
और,
and,
okay.
and this one Democratic Party won. So this Vivek Ramaswamy comes and says, listen, we have to stop doing identity politics, like with this identity politics, because it is not for us Republicans. It is not important what is the color of your skin, what is the color, what is God good. Oh, excuse me, it's not important for you. What? Oh my God.
There-
So
like,
yeah, he
There
people
was
are
this
making fun of him.
YouTuber who's an African American YouTuber who made a very gleeful video about Indians fucking around and finding out in the Republic. In the Republic.
Republican. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
You guys thought that this is like something unique they have against black people because we are special and you are different from us, but
Yeah.
you're not. You will
No,
never
that's
be
what the
white.
Indians. That's what the MAGA Indians think.
Yeah.
That's what the MAGA Indians think. Because remember, there was this guy. You guys keep talking. I'll find the tweet and I'll tell you, because it actually shows what MAGA Indians think and how their brain
मुझे तो
works.
एक
Okay.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में था. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में कुछ राइट विंगर्स ने एंटी इमिग्रेशन रैली किया था.
Oh yeah.
And which
वो
they
तो वो
will
भी
never
है.
say that this is racist, right?
हाँ.
So they will do a rally, they will stand on stage and says we are against illegal immigration, and some Indian guy who's foolish enough to think that they're actually just against illegal immigration goes on the stage and says,
उसको बहुत मारा,
उसको धक्के मार के निकाल दिया वो लोगों ने, स्टेज पर से
बहुत
धक्के
मारा
मार के
उसको,
निकाल दिया
मारा, हाँ, मारा भी उसको बहुत। एक
Yeah.
सेकंड वेट।
यहाँ पे so America में see one of the ironic things about America which I find is that it's a country built by immigrants, right? Which is like basically it's like these rich white people, they think that immigrants bad, कोई भी immigrant bad, and they need to be kicked out, etc. And that's why Trump is like doing all his ICE things, whatever.
Okay,
I think one of the
wait.
reasons why they see him as a threat is because he's a successful immigrant. सॉरी एक सेकंड, मेरा कोई बजा रहा है घंटी में, तुम बात करो।
नहीं, फिर मैं बात करेगा, जो जो मुझे बता रहा था वो इंटरेस्टिंग है, वो तू भी सुनेगा ना, फिर मजा आएगा मेरे को।
मिल गया क्या?
हाँ, मिल गया। It's Abhishek Banerjee. Remember, there is this journalist Abhishek Banerjee. इसने मेरा एक वीडियो कट करके वो मेरा और मेघनाथ का वीडियो, where we are talking about Nepal and we are talking about revolution and all, उसने उसमें वीडियो कट करके दिखाया था कि see what woke liberals are doing, they want a Nepal like situation in India, ऐसे करके डाला था आपने उस पर ट्विटर पे।
Gen Zs. Are we talking about Gen Z?
You want Nepal like situation
No.
in India? There is a podcast episode on Anurag Minus Verma's recently where Ravikant Kisana, Professor Kisana, went and he said the only reason it is not happening in India is basically running with the power, the patience of the marginalized.
Yes.
Absolutely, 100%.
I saw that podcast, so good, guys. If you
बहुत अच्छा
haven't
रोल
seen
है।
it, Anurag Minus Verma के channel पे go watch that podcast. It's
Yeah.
so
Yes.
sobering. I love
Buffalo Intellectual.
Buffalo Intellectual.
I love his takes anyway. मुझे उसके takes बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं।
He's come up with a
I
new
follow.
book also, which I have but I haven't started reading, as Meet the Savarnas.
Yes,
Okay.
I want to read that. Yes,
very
yes, it's on my to read list.
तो वो उसका वही ना, द पेशेंस ऑफ द मार्जिनलाइज जो है, वो पेशेंस ऑफ द मार्जिनलाइज, पेशेंस ऑफ द माइनॉरिटी। अगर लार्ज स्केल अगर देश में अगर वायलेंस नहीं हो रहा है, पेशेंस ऑफ द माइनॉरिटी, पेशेंस ऑफ जेनजी, पेशेंस ऑफ एनीवन हु इज बीइंग ऑप्रेस्ड, सिर्फ और सिर्फ इसी वजह से देश में अभी तक शांति
Ravikant made this very good point. I think what he was talking about was COVID के time पे, COVID में lockdown लग गया and all these migrants from Bihar and all these places, they started walking, right? And what he says is that it's actually quite incredible that they didn't rob anybody on the way. There were no large scale like violence. In fact,
violence and vandalism
उल्टा
happening,
हुआ,
yeah.
where they were sleeping on tracks and died and horrible things
Yes.
have happened. And people who are marginalized are so patient. When the system is literally screwing them over,
Yeah.
demonetization, this lockdown thing, even then there is no anger that is turning into violence, right? One of the very interesting points he makes is that in Nepal, when it happened, it's because people still have expectations from their government कि you can do more for me, and that is why they get angry. यहाँ पे वो expectation है ही नहीं। यहाँ पे
कि ऐसा ही होता है,
यहाँ पे
यही
बस
होता है।
अब यही एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि लिसन, इलेक्शन आएगा, उसके पहले तू मुझे पैसा दे दे एंड देन कट लो यहाँ से।
Yeah.
लाइक आई नो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू जैक शिट फॉर मी एनीवे, तो इलेक्शन के पहले बस पैसा दे दे, लाइक ये 10,000 रुपए जो भी है व्हाटएवर, वोट ले ले एंड आई एम डन। It's so sad when you think about it that way, that
Yeah.
people have been oppressed to such an extent where not only are they hopeless, I think that's like a very mild word to use, I think they are dead inside, because I feel like that sometimes. I think
Yeah.
I
people
think that they're conserving their energy for other things, because this
Other
is
things
not
as
Yeah.
this is not a country.
Food.
सही है।
Like
Yeah,
food.
exactly. तुम मतलब मैं एक मीम भेजा एक दोस्त ने कि किसी ने पूछा लोग साला गौतम सिटी में रहते किस लिए, यहाँ पे बैटमैन का जो शहर है ना, कि हर रोज कोई बैंक लूट रहा है, बम फोड़ रहा है, सुपर विलन आकाश में उड़ रहे हैं, तो उसका कारण ये है कि उनको क्या पड़ी है यार, वो तो बैटमैन को मारने आ रहे हैं, मैं काम करता हूँ, घर जाता हूँ, मुझे
हाँ।
जो $200 बनाता हूँ उससे अपना महीना चल जाएगा, एंड देन दैट्स इट। तो we often think like from a point of view of a high on जहाँ से देश बहुत बुरा दिख रहा है, but on an individual level, if a person feels like I can manage, then they will try to manage. When it becomes unmanageable is when the trouble starts.
अच्छा
जैसे
सुन,
वो
जो
रविकांत किसान ने बोला, one second, वो रविकांत किसान ने बोला था ना, इंडिया में ड्रीम ये नहीं है कि तुम जाके you will become a बिग शॉट. इंडिया में ड्रीम है
Yes.
कि मेरे बच्चे मेरे से थोड़ा सा बेटर परफॉर्म करेंगे.
Hmm.
अगर वहां तक हो रहा है, पीपल आर ओके. द डे दैट अभी
Also,
इवन गोज अवे, लाइक मेरे
also the
बच्चे
thing.
मुझसे कभी गरीब है, देन शिट स्टार्ट्स.
Also the thing that he talked about the सरकारी नौकरी जैसे रेलवे की नौकरी और ग्रुप सी की नौकरी, ग्रुप डी की नौकरी, ये सब जो निकलती है, एंड हाउ पीपल आर लाइक योर लाइफ इज स्टिल बैड बट देन फिर भी एक डिग्निटी वाली जिंदगी आप जी सकते हो. दैट रियली हर्ट मी बिकॉज मैंने सोचा कितने सारे लोग दुनिया में, देश में कितने सारे लोग तैयारी करते हैं, कितने बच्चे तैयारी करते हैं. इलाहाबाद में पूरा का पूरा यूपी भरा रहता है क्योंकि इलाहाबाद में तैयारी होती है यहाँ
एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर करते हैं और फिर क्वेश्चन पेपर लीक हो जाता है. योर years of work is gone. एग्जाम दोबारा नहीं होगा.
years of work is gone.
You prepare, maybe that age limit has crossed, nothing.
No, absolutely. And sorry, one of the things which literally struck me after that podcast only is that, you know, like connecting it to like something like Mamdani also, you know, like which is, I feel like the oppressed people, even in America, let's say the oppression is very different. I'm not comparing our, but like there is oppression there also. And I think that is a very, again, a manifestation of late stage capitalism, let's call it that way, कि हेल्थ केयर ही नहीं है. व्हाट इज दैट कंट्री मैन? लाइक समटाइम्स आई थिंक अबाउट इट कि इतना पैसा क्यों देते हैं लोग. वन ऑफ माय कजिन्स वाज टेलिंग मी दे हैड अ किड, anchor baby, they had a kid recently, and kid is like 1 year old or whatever. Kid had diarrhea. Okay, now हमारे यहाँ पे तुम कोई भी प्राइमरी हेल्थ केयर सेंटर पे दे दो, वो ORS पिला देंगे, whatever, and then घर जाओ, right? वहाँ पे they ended up spending the equivalent of 3.5 lakh rupees to cure his diarrhea. Right now they had insurance, but the insurance didn't cover it, so they had to spend 3 months of their salary treating the kid for diarrhea. And I was like, ये क्या country है यार? Like, what is this?
Yeah, their healthcare situation is quite shitty, worse than ours.
It's very
in
shitty.
some ways.
Very shitty. अभी हमारे परिवार, हमारे आशु के सुपरवाइजर है, उनके परिवार में एक लोग गए थे अमेरिका. वहां पे स्लिप हो गए, कमर टूट, यहाँ हिप टूट गया. ठीक है, हिप टूट गया. दे फ्लू हर बैक टू इंडिया फॉर द सर्जरी एंड ये, क्योंकि वहां पर दे कुड नॉट हैव अफोर्डेड. उनका बोला मैं घर बिक जाता, जमीन बिक, सब कुछ बिक जाता, कुछ नहीं. बिकॉज इट्स लाइक लिटरल एक हाथ किसी का टूटता है. दिस वन स्टूडेंट लुइजी मैंजियोनी ने जब उसका वो किया था ना, असैसिनेशन किया था ना उस मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी के सीईओ का, तो उसी टाइम पे ये वीडियोस निकलने शुरू हुए थे. दिस लड़की, उसका हाथ ऑलरेडी टूटा हुआ है, शी इज अ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन, तो हाथ टूटा हुआ है. एंड बिकॉज शी डिड नॉट हैव इंश्योरेंस, इट वाज हर बिल हैड कम अराउंड $92,000. शी इज लाइक, what? $92,000? Excuse me?
Yeah, exactly.
What level is this? What? यहाँ एम्बुलेंस बुलाओ, $1,000 देने पड़ते हैं एम्बुलेंस के उस टाइम. वो तो 2014 का है, क्योंकि मुझे याद है, क्योंकि हमने बुलाया था, हमारे बिल्डिंग में एक महिला का वो हो गया था, तो 911 कॉल किया था हम लोगों ने. I have this experience of calling 911, like there is an emergency, this is our address and please come, somebody has slipped and fallen. तो हम लोगों ने बुलाया था. तो उस जिस बंदी को बुलाया था, हमको नहीं देना था $1,000, बट जिस बंदी के लिए बुलाया था, that she had to pay, ended up paying $1,000 for the ambulance. हम लोग गए थे, हमारे इंश्योरेंस में, वी वर कवर्ड बाय इंश्योरेंस. ओके, वेरी गुड इंश्योरेंस. यहाँ तक कि अगर किसी को जाके लेसिक कराना है तो लेसिक भी करा लो, फ्री में हो जाता है इंश्योरेंस जिसके पास है. वी हैड वेरी गुड, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टूडेंट इंश्योरेंस. बट एक चीज हमारे पास जो नहीं थी, वो थी डेंटल. डेंटल के लिए हमें $1,000 एक्स्ट्रा दिए गए थे कि डेंटल के इमीडिएट पेन रिलीफ के लिए यू हैव $1,000. वी विल नॉट कवर ये. सो देयर इज दिस वन कंट्री, जिस कंट्री से जो स्टूडेंट गई थी हमारे साथ, शी एंडेड अप डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ डेंटल वर्क बिकॉज शी हैड सम प्रॉब्लम्स इन हर टीथ. शी एंडेड अप डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ डेंटल. उसका कुछ तो ऐसे ही $1.5 का बिल हो गया था. एंड देन शी लाइक वायोलेटेड हर वीजा एंड देन शी रैन अवे एंड देन शी इज लाइक, बाद में डिपोर्ट हुई नहीं हुई पता नहीं. हर एंटायर कंट्री हैज बीन ब्लैकलिस्टेड फ्रॉम द फुलब्राइट फेलोशिप्स बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजन.
Oh my God. Okay.
Wait, her entire country.
Yeah, because you're representing your country, no? If you're on a fellowship, so अगर तुमने वो सब
अच्छा.
हम वो fellowship पे थी.
अच्छा.
हमारे साथ ही
Did you say $1.5? Sorry, वो process कर रहा मैं.
somewhere around 100 मतलब उसका 6 figure से ऊपर था. उसका
$150,000.
हाँ, डेंटल वर्क का बिल उसका उससे बहुत ज्यादा था. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीजन, ऑफ कोर्स $1,000 का हमको बस दिया था इमीडिएट पेन रिलीफ के लिए.
That's wild, dude. That's so wild. I cannot even process that
There is-
amount in in my
There is an
hand.
entire
Yeah.
there is an entire subgenre of videos on YouTube made by Americans who live in Europe about what I had to change in my brain after I moved here. There was this
Yeah.
girl who had this medical condition and she got an attack, and then her attack got worse because she was hyperventilating at the thought of going to the hospital.
Oh
She
yeah.
went to the hospital and they said, हाँ हो गया. मतलब पैसे तो इसके क्या पैसे? And then उसका her brain broke. She could not process it.
Yeah,
एक और था.
Germany and all, Germany और
Yeah,
वगैरह में
exactly.
या फिर NHS वगैरह, NHS is also covered, no? It's
एक और
like all
था
of this
that
is
girl
ये.
is
Sorry.
going to school in Europe and she said, यहाँ पे तो दीवार ही नहीं है. तो how do you like don't people तो स्कूल के अंदर कोई क्यों आएगा और कैसे आएगा? Guns? How would they get a gun? They couldn't
Why would they
process it.
get a gun?
Yeah.
Sorry guys, मेरा एक sorry इसमें ही मैं end करूँगा. Larger point that I was trying to make in this is that people there got angry. And it is evident and it is showing electorally. Like win of Mamdani is like a direct effect of people who are extremely angry with this ridiculous system that has been built there because of capitalism, late stage capitalism, and rich people essentially, right? And in a place like New York. I just wanted to ask you guys, do you think that is going to happen in India at any point? Again, like when I say angry, I mean, are people expressing their vote to express this
Electorally.
anger? In India.
You
For
mean
example, in
getting
Bihar.
angry electorally?
For example, in Bihar, do you think people are angry and they are going to express their will electorally?
Yes, I think it is happening, and it is happening, and the only reason it is not manifesting is because of vote chori. People are expressing their anger against rich. पंजाब में हुआ, हरियाणा में जो हुआ उसके बाद भी उन्होंने पलट दिया. This is blatant anti-democratic corruption that is happening. But India में हो रहा है. We have socialist political parties for F's sake.
Yeah.
Like right, Samajwadi Party is basically socialist party.
No, हमारे यहाँ पे सब socialist है. मतलब like
Yeah.
there is an element of socialism in every party. BJP is also
Yeah,
like
yeah,
economically
yeah.
socialist
You
only.
can't not be socialist in
Yeah.
India.
Yeah. वेलफेयर सब
Just-
देते हैं, जॉब हर गवर्नमेंट जॉब देते हैं, सब कुछ वेलफेयर पे ही चल रहा है.
Yeah, I just want to point out, Medusa wanted to talk about a video and I kind of buried her.
Which video? I forgot only.
Banerjee, Abhishek Banerjee का कुछ तो.
वो ट्रेंड निकल गई. Oh अच्छा अभिषेक.
हाँ,
Oh,
you
no,
opened it also.
I was
No, we will talk
I
about
was
that, but after the recording. एक second. तू मेरे से
हाँ,
पहले
ठीक है,
मेरा
ठीक है.
क्वेश्चन आंसर कर, then I will turn
नहीं
off the
मेरा
recording, then we will talk.
मेरा सेम आंसर है जो विमो के जैसा है. वी आर एक्सप्रेसिंग आवर एंगर इलेक्टोरली बट इट इज नॉट वी कैन नॉट सी इट बिकॉज देयर इज सो मच ऑफ वोचरी हैपनिंग. द सेकंड दैट इज लाइक माय होपफुल रिस्पॉन्स. द होपलेस रिस्पॉन्स, द cynical response is that it is not going to happen in our country because the people in America got angry and demanded accountability because they think that they deserve people who are accountable. We do not feel that. We don't think,
Interesting.
we no longer think that we deserve a government which is accountable, and it is because of all of these tensions and all of these pressures, all of these worries about food, about security. औरतों का तो यही है कि मतलब 8 बजे सब सूरज ढलने के बाद अगर बाहर घर के कदम रखना है तो कैसे करना है. हमारा तो आधा टाइम उसी से चिंता में जाता है कि सिक्योरिटी कैसे रखनी है. आदमियों का तो अपना ही दूसरा वर्ल्ड है. So all of that because of all of that pressure, we are just surviving. We just like कि हाँ यार कर लेने दो, ये है सिस्टम है, इसमें we are used to this system, we deserve this system, हम लोग कर रहे हैं, देखा जाएगा. That's my hopeless response.
That is also like also partially because I think people are too busy trying to survive. I think हमारे यहाँ पे
Yeah.
वही struggle है
Although,
हमेशा की.
although I would like to add to this कि you guys pointed out that Mamdani has been campaigning for 1 year, like
Yeah.
vote territories वगैरह करके. There was this sense in the young that there's no point voting. And
Yes.
he kind of pulled them out of it by saying कि at the very least you can vote for someone like me. And यहाँ पे ये हो रहा है कि to a certain extent people are finding the line being taken by the Congress right now hopeful. I think personally that there is a tremendous surge towards the Congress. It is just not showing up on the surface because of corruption.
Yeah, I
Okay.
agree. I absolutely agree. And also, I think Godi Media also has a role to play there. Because
Yeah.
I feel like Godi Media does.
They had a slightly bigger role. They're not getting as much attention now.
Yeah.
They have a very good, they're not a good, they have a very serious role in making things as they are, but things are not working going according to their plan right now.
No,
and
absolutely.
it's just not showing.
No, absolutely. And you know, the one thing that I noticed, I mean, I agree with your point, Vimo, but the fact still remains that, for example, India Today, abhi yesterday, did a ground report like with their senior reporters going to AQI stations in Delhi and pointing out कि ये क्या चुतियाप दिखा रहे हो, हमारे पास एक अलग meter है. You know, like this sort of reporting actually still matters. Like I think at least to people in power, at least visibility wise, because that report has really done well, and people of Delhi are like clipping and sharing it and whatever it is. I feel like still Godi media, if it even for like a week palat jaye, yeah,
Yeah.
50% of it actually starts doing their job, right? I feel like it will cause an immense change.
बहुत ज्यादा
yeah,
बहुत
yeah.
ज्यादा
Yeah.
बहुत ज्यादा
एक
चेंज
पे होगा तो कुछ मतलब ही नहीं रहा ना. If they're like, you know, if they're sending trucks around sprinkling water around the device that is supposed to calculate the AQI,
या
then what is the point of AQI?
Yeah.
वही तो चल रहा है ना.
कुछ मतलब
Also the दिवाली के दिनों का AQI data is gone. You can't find it.
Acha, sorry, I have to end the recording. We are going to talk more about that, and we are going to
¿Qué
take
pasa?
super chats also. Just
Okay.
as a end message to our non-members, guys, I'm doing a show on Saturday. Sorry, on Sunday in Gurgaon. And the link is below. It is called How to Lose an Election. I have written a show. Medusa helped me with designing it, and Vimo has seen it and given me feedback on it. So that has already happened. And this is the second trial show that I'm doing. Uske baad, I am starting my tour. So first I am going to Mumbai, then Pune, then Bangalore, then Hyderabad, and then I'm going to Chennai this time. Maybe I'm going to Goa also. And then after that, I might cover Kolkata and Nagpur and
Hey, please
Chandigarh.
take me to Goa.
Acha, chal. Medusa. So, guys, if you think I should go to Goa, please support channel. Please subscribe. Please do the things. There is a buy me a coffee link also niche. Please be generous if you want. And also, come see my show. It is about me losing an election. So it has all the things. It has Mamdanis, it has vote chori, it has all sorts of things. Also, basically, it has a lot of bureaucracy. It's a stand-up set about bureaucracy. So it's fun. I promise. Inko pucho.
It is very much fun. I loved it.
Yes.
Laughed
It
at
has
so
become better,
many-
guys.
yeah.
It has become better because now I've done it in person. I got so many likes from the audience only. So, yes.
Nice.
Okay, I'm going to see you later. I'm going to talk to my members and I'm going to talk to these people more. So, become member. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.